ATL Jacob, ATL Jacob.
They left me bruised up, they tried to leave me used up. I was confused cause the ones I love ain't prove much. I did everything they last say ain't do much. And they ain't call me to plead their case and it been 2 months. Posting guns on your page, they put us all in danger. But they say I'm one of the leaders cause I'm the one that's famous. Some niggas don't come around unless it's entertainment. When it's time to kill for real, them niggas gon' keep complaining. Ain't no cars, ain't no guns, ain't no fun. What I'ma do if I get locked up? Ain't no bonds, ain't no bonds, ain't no bond. What I'ma do if I get locked up? I ain't never commit no crime, somebody lied. I'm on the case with niggas I love, but 2 of them died. And it irked my nerve, he talking about murders, he ain't even slide. When bro them died, I said I was tired, I lied, I cried. On my mom, just got a check for 30 million cash and I'm gon' sign. Everybody around me gon' kill some, they gotta walk around with a mask. Every time you slide, nigga, that shit better make the news or something. Young niggas better stay inside they lane, better go to school or something. Piss me off, I'm putting up 300K, that shit like voodoo numbers. I done got so high, this batch of weed, it feel like 2 could come. I came back though none of my dogs, cause I'm 200. You confront a nigga, 1,000 pounds, I can prove the money. Yeah, they left me bruised up, they tried to leave me used up. I was confused cause the ones I love ain't prove much. I did everything they last say ain't do much. And they ain't call me to plead their case and it been 2 months. Posting guns on your page, they put us all in danger. But they say I'm one of the leaders cause I'm the one that's famous. Some niggas don't come around unless it's entertainment. When it's time to kill for real, them niggas gon' keep complaining. Ain't no cars, ain't no guns, ain't no fun. What I'ma do if I get locked up? Ain't no bonds, ain't no bonds, ain't no bonds. What I'ma do if I get locked up?
They'll tell you about the other part, taking showers with your bosses on. If you ever go to prison, buy a knife before you buy a phone. Got caught up in the system, ain't have life, but he ain't make it home, this crazy. Got killed in a place that was supposed to save him. I'm grateful that I got the paper to pay the lawyers, Brody waiting. These niggas flaw and I see the hate in they faces. I bet they'll be all happy if we can stop and trade places. But nah, nigga, ain't a competition with no one, I'm tryna ball with you. I don't care if you rich or what's the tab, I got half. I'ma pay for me and Brody them. And a lot of y'all rappers should've been on Nickelodeon. Acting ass niggas don't come close to him.
They left me bruised up, they tried to leave me used up. I was confused cause the ones I
What
love
up?
ain't prove much. I did everything they
What
last
on,
say ain't do
man?
much. And they ain't call me to plead their case and it been 2 months. Posting guns on your page, they put us all in danger. But they say I'm one of the leaders cause I'm the one that's famous. Some niggas don't come around unless it's entertainment. When it's time to kill for real, them niggas gon' keep complaining. Ain't no cars, ain't no guns, ain't no fun. What I'ma do if I get locked up? Ain't no bonds, ain't no bonds, ain't no bond. What I'ma do if I get locked up?
What's the name of the song? Bigger than life, you know, because there's things that are bigger than life in life. Things like trading MT5. Trading your MT5. It's way bigger than life, man. No. Is this even the right monitor? This is, right? How come this shows, where's our gap here? Yeah, I think I should be good. This camera's a bit too big. Here we go. Hey guys. Good morning. I know you guys had a wonderful night. I know Asian session was wonderful for a lot of you guys. I think for the most part, I'm pretty confident a lot of people caught the gold cells off the day breaks if you took off the daily. Before I get into that though, it was overall yesterday though, it's kind of choppy. But again, Asian came through. We did mention yesterday that Asian session would be very volatile if the day kind of were to close a certain way. And what did we do? We closed that certain way. So it was a good day yesterday. The moment we saw that candle close, the way it closed on the daily, it was pretty, you know, straightforward. I'm sure, you know, I think I even sent an analysis, to be honest. I haven't sent an analysis in a long time, but I knew I had to send an analysis last night. And I just wanted everyone to, you know, kind of be on the same wave. So like, yeah, I haven't sent an analysis since like June 20th. So it's not like I've been doing this every day. You know, it's been mainly like analysis where I'm very comfortable with, where I'm very like really expecting that's very so in this case, like let's go analysis here. Hey, no chat. Even if you guys, you know, weren't able to catch it, at least you guys learned, because man, we drew the candle up. We literally drew the candle up. And you know the crazy part is the target was 1724 here, right? Off the daily. And the target was 724 and we called it at 724. That's pretty insane. I didn't realize till after. But yeah, if you guys were able to take advantage of that, it was a quick like 2-minute analysis. These 2 minutes here could have just literally changed a whole perspective on just one daily candle today, and that was this candle right here. So yeah, price came down, tapped it, and if you guys are asking me what happened after we tapped 1724, I don't know, man. I don't know. I was kind of okay. Don't forgot tapped. If buyers were I mean I saw a candle flip, I saw a candle drive up, but I was not interested in buyers whatsoever. It was just strictly sellers for me. But anyways, let me just get into the daily analysis chat, or let me just get into the analysis and then we'll get into the fun stuff, because you got like a good 13 minutes left until we gotta wait for the hourly closure here, which I believe we have potential for positions. Okay, so all right, let's take a look at price action here. So first things first, let's take a look at the date at the forexfactory.com. All right, so forexfactory.com here. The first thing we look at every single day. Today, unfortunately, you have not much going on. You have USD. I've never seen this folder. It's tentative though. IBD, TIPP, economic optimism. That's gonna be at tentative, which means it could be any time during the day. And 10-year bond at 101, not 1, but 101 p.m. Obviously we're not trained by 1. I mean, I hope you guys aren't trained by 1, right? If you guys are trained by 1, then that's tough. But yeah, you do have that. Let me just put this up. You do have that, and tomorrow I think you have very, very volatile news. You have CPI for the monthly, and then you have interest rates for the Canadian dollar, right? And then you have PPI on Thursday for the USD, and then you have retail sales on Friday. So Friday and Thursday very volatile. Tomorrow, today, or yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday very volatile. Monday, Tuesday, gonna be very chill and relaxed. All right, so doesn't look chill and relaxed by the way gold moved yesterday, but it's pretty chill and relaxed, guys. But yeah, let's start off with yeah, let's start off with GJ. All right, so taking a look at GJ for the weekly. GJ for the weekly obviously closed bullish here. You closed bullish last week, respecting this support here at these levels to the left hand side here. All right, keep in mind the monthly candle is still bullish. Actually, I should show that first. The monthly time frame is still bullish here. And at any given point, as long as you respect the lows at 159, this monthly candle can still flip bullish and drive up to fill the wick at 168. So that's what we're kind of expecting. This candle flip bullish. You just need a confirmation. That confirmation was a weekly time frame, but now you need a daily time for confirmation, I believe. You have the support here that was being respected, which is cool. Overall, you have a range from here to here, but I guess within the range here, you have like a minor support from here. So you can say that, and you're in this range alone. That's within the bigger range. But overall, this thing should flip bullish to drive up to fill the wicks to the left hand side, and we should continue to drive up towards 167 here. But buys for me would probably be, I mean, the day time from here closed bearish yesterday, back into the range we go. So that's probably why price drove down today on the daily, but you kind of broke back into this range. Therefore, the range should get filled coming down towards next minor support, which is at what, 161,700. No, I don't want to turn my watermark on. It takes up half my screen. But yeah, chat, that's your next support at 161,700. Your next support after that is going to be probably going to be 159,902. So this is your first major support. It's something you gotta be very, very aware of. Understand that this is a pretty heavy support right here. You have multiple rejections here. Obviously, rejection, rejection, rejection. Again, the price was reject here as well today. But the question comes in 10 hours. Because once the day count closes and it closes below, then totally different story, right? But if it closes a reject and support, then obviously same story. I would imagine that we would reject today just because of the higher time, which is a weekly and monthly. Because if we were to close below this range here today, right? Let's say we close below range here in 10 hours here by 5 p.m. What's likely gonna happen is if we were to drive down tomorrow, you have clean traffic tomorrow until next support, which is gonna be somewhere around here. 159, and I'm pretty sure if price taps 159, if I'm not wrong, 159.029, I'm pretty sure we would break the weekly lows. Yeah, weekly lows be broken by then. So you don't really want this day count to close bearish below this range here, because you're expecting the monthly to flip. But if it does, then it does. Obviously, we'll break structure on a weekly, we break structure on a monthly, and then you can create a new story off the higher time frame. But as of right now, that's what price is telling you. But yeah, overall today we're pretty bearish. Still bearish today. Next target is 161,700. The target after that is gonna be looking left, maybe 160,930. So sells for me today would be if price were to break below here, 161,907. Obviously the sells in London were great, but I believe these sells would be pretty clean as well below the support here to the left hand side. These songs have lyrics? All right, copyright free song W. Rare W. All right. So yeah, that's your next support at 161,907. I guess you can say your current resistance is gonna be like somewhere over here to the left hand side. This is your range that you're in right now. So you're in that range. You're in this range right now. You probably want to avoid this range. There's nothing you can do here. You want to wait for a breakout. So there's no buys above here, by the way, in case you guys are very hungry for positions today. There's no buys above here, sells below here. It's gonna be sells below here. It's going to be range 1 breakout here, range 2 breakout here. Buys are going to be above here. All right. So in this case, I'll look for buys if you break above this resistance at 162,729. And then I'll look for sells below here. So these are original sells, right? And then these are buys above here, range 2 breakout. So no buys above here though. 162,354 at any given point could be a range 1 breakout. So keep that in mind. But buys will be above 162.69 or 672 going up towards 163.033. All right. But yeah, that's what I got going on today for GJ. As for gold, gold is pretty nice today, I guess you can say. There's lots of volume. The monthly candle is going straight down by the looks of it towards 1707, potentially even 1700, 1690. We did mention that beginning of July. If you guys go back to that stream, that was the target we mentioned. The weekly closed bearish yesterday as well. I believe yesterday's Asian session candle came very close to breaking weekly highs, but we didn't break weekly highs. It came very close. I thought we would have to create a steeper wick, but we didn't. But again, we did come down, tapping next support, which is down here at 1728. That was cool. Next support after that is going to be down here at 1701. So that's your next target if price were to break through these levels here. And in order for us to break through the levels here, you need a daily time frame closure. Because look on the daily time frame, there's a heavy support here, right? This is the daily target, 1724, 1725 ish. We tapped those levels perfectly. Came down, rejected. But if you do get a closure today below these levels in 10 hours here by 5 p.m., then tomorrow's candle should be very nice. Should be coming down towards 1682 tomorrow if we do close below that range today. So it comes down to how we close today to determine tomorrow. But overall, I mean, there's decent volume here. I mean, even if you don't close tomorrow below, I'm pretty sure news will bring us some volume either way. But yeah, I guess you can say we're pretty bearish today as long as you respect the current highs at 1744. I believe this forward candle here closed bullish, but it closed bullish respecting this resistance here at 1735, right to the left hand side. These levels to the left are being respected. So if we were to close above in a different story, I would say we can pop up to fill the range, but since we were rejecting it, all you need is a small time from confirmation, and that small time from confirmation would be the 1 hour candle. So this 1 hour candle here, look where it's closing in about 4 minutes here. If we can close, I guess you can say something like this. Yeah, I'm trying to see what's we can close. Okay, so this is your resistance right here on price, and this is your support somewhere down here. I'm just gonna move it down towards here. If you can close below 1733 today off the hourly candle, great. You may have some potential sells. Overall, if you don't like the ranges, they wait for sells below here, below 70. I think that's a lot cleaner. 1732 would be a lot cleaner. Below 1732, actually, I'll wait for that. You can take sells coming down towards 1728. But yeah, because I'm pretty worried about this range here. This to the left hand side here. This is gonna come into effect for sure. It's gonna affect us. It's gonna affect the trade overall. You do have an advantage point. I believe once you clear this range overall, you're just breaking this entire structure, this entire London bullish frame here, and you should be coming down to retest the lows if that were to happen. But I believe you need a closure below there first. You need to kind of break out that range. The good thing about this candle here is that it's gonna bring volume for sure, because unless it closes weak, but you guys can see here, these past 3 candles here all did the same thing. They all at once look like this, and then they all close what? Like basically doji weak, right? This candle here, if it closes within these wicks here, there's a high chance this next candle will likely come down to fill the wick. So that wouldn't be too bad, but this candle should bring in volume unless in 3 minutes here it closes very weak. But overall, not bad price action today, chat. Not bad. Just wait for sells below here, and then you can have some nice sells going down for the rest of the day, or at least until it's 728. All right, but yeah, that's the day. That's what I got going on right now for gold. That's what I got going on right now for GJ. If you guys missed that, just go back and watch it. I'm pretty sure the replay is there. Also, speaking on gold again for buys would be a range 2 breakout. I believe above 1736 here wouldn't be too bad. But I believe I'm gonna hold out until, unless the alley candle closes above this range here, I'm gonna hold out until we close above here on a 30-minute time frame, above 1738. That would be a better buys. Yeah, above here would be a lot cleaner. Above here, going up towards next resistance is 1741. All right, so that's what I kind of got going on today. Range 2 breakout above here. So yes, you do have range 2 breakouts above 736 here. You can take buys above there, but the range is a bit smaller, and I'd rather be taking buys above here because it's a bit bigger range. It's a 30 pip range going up. It's about the same, 20-30 pips. Let's see, but overall, your range 2 official breakout will be above 36 here. So anything above there would be decent for buys. And this 1 hour candle's gonna close weak bearish. Great, lovely. So it looks like we're gonna have to wait in that 30-minute candle. Yeah, chat. Looks like this candle's not gonna close bearish. Not surprising, to be honest, but I'm gonna go ahead and order this coffee because your boy needs some coffee. Pick up. Opinions on USD GPY. Send a chart in, brother. Send a chart in. Chat, what I did notice trading overall this year, or more so of last year, it's not really a setup, it's not really a trade we can take, but something we can definitely look at and expect. This candle here has no bottom wick, right? A lot of people in this case would have a sell stop here because this is a starter play. Let's understand though, what may happen from experience is price may do something like this. It may come down, break the lows, the next candle, and then come up like this, back into the range. Because this kind of has no bottom wick, right? If it closes no bottom wick on this alley candle here, there's a high chance the next candle will come down, create that bottom wick, and then push back up to back into the range basically. Because we're still in the range overall. We're not even breaking below, but just keep that in mind if you're looking for buys. Just be a bit cautious. I'll wait for a clear closure below 17 or 161.07 to show. Below there will be a lot cleaner. Ooh, 1 hour closed decent here. It closed decent, but not enough for a position, but it closed decent to indicate volume. So that's cool. This 30-minute candle closed respecting this resistance. This 1 hour candle closed below that range there. Slightly below, but it's still a very tough range to be in, man. You don't want to be in that range. Go ahead and change this up. Yo, 7 months. Whole lot of DVS. Hey, what up, man? KD. KD, you coming to Toronto or what?
Out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business.
Thank you, KD. WD. Damn, all the members. What's going on, guys? You know, I never asked you guys to become members too. You guys just naturally become members. I've never once said, yo, guys, go sub to be a member. Just kind of happens. How to get tier 2? I think you gotta upgrade, to be honest. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you gotta upgrade because you're tier 1, I think, right? If you're asking. You guys do Max's membership? Not that YouTube membership. No, that's just for like for fun online support. Mentorship, you're gonna have to be enrolled into the course. By the way, chat, I did a little update yesterday on the course. If you guys current members, if you guys checked it out, so we did a free update. We do update every year. That's just like a minor update. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna update it again like mid-month this month, because a lot of my videos yesterday got very chalked. I was watching the replays and like, damn, there's like static the microphones and all of that. So I think it's because my wire was kind of on an angle or something yesterday or the other day, but yeah. I'm so tired, bruh. Oh, get some coffee, man. Wake up. Can't be tired on July 12th, 2022. You guys watch that Aiden Ross, Andrew Tate show? Kind of funny. All right. Sweeteners, regular, daily, 1 cream, espresso, no espresso. Large iced coffee. Pick up. Hopefully don't mess my order up, man. Actually, let's get some of this to This is a fire song. Thank you, brother. For now, if you guys think it's fire, let me know. I'm just gonna favorite it for the stream music. Does Andre fund it on account? On account. I'm not getting that soy milk bullshit coffee. No, I'm getting a regular coffee. Put gold on chart, please. For what? They're both pairs are pretty equivalent right now. This one's in a range. Nothing we can really do for the next at least minimum 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be longer than that because I don't think this 15, if I'm being honest, is gonna close below the range here. I believe it will be the next 30 if anything. So you have probably a good 24 minutes till we close this candle. And then this GJ here in the range as well. I just want to see if it breaks the lows though. I want to see if it breaks lows and it rejects. That's what I want to see. But overall, there's no trades here on GJ right now. There's no trades on gold for the next minimum 30 minutes. So right now it's just kind of chilling. Nothing to worry about here, chat. Nothing. I mean, something happens, but we wait for closures anyways, right? You have to get used to that, man. You know, just because you want a position doesn't mean you have to be like staring right at your screen, like, you know, just chilling. You wait for candles to close. You're just chilling. If you have a position, then cool. Place your sell stops, place your buy stops, right? But until then, right? You're just waiting for candles to close here. And then just time to chill, and then check the charts in 15 minutes, 20 minutes, see what's up, see if anything changed, if nothing changed, and you just kind of chilling. That's what trading is. Your key is stay composed when it comes to trading, guys. Your key understand that there isn't you can't just randomly enter positions whenever. You have to have it planned out. If you have it planned out, you know exactly when to enter the positions, exactly where and exactly how, and you know exactly how you manage positions, right? It's only if you don't know what you're doing, or I don't want to know what you're doing, but it's only when you don't really have a plan where you jump into a trade and then you take a position, and then next thing you know, you're out here mentoring every guru you know. Yo, what are your thoughts on USD? You know, brother? I'm Vietnamese. USD GPY sells. Hey, hope sales work out. What are your computer specs? 3070. I got 3070. Got last year. Kind of weak. Should got 3080 Ti or 3090 Ti, honestly. But, or actually, I don't think the TIs came out yet. I think I got it last year when it was peak GPU, because everyone was kind of using it to mine crypto and stuff. But yeah, I think that's why I couldn't get my hands on anything too crazy. And then yeah, just I think I got Ryzen 5 5900 or something like that. Or Ryzen 7 like 5900, Ryzen 9, I forgot. I think it's Ryzen 7 though. It's a mid PC. I'm gonna update the PC probably next year, to be honest. Gonna get a new PC. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 4 series. I'm gonna wait for I think it's next year, right? 4 series, or is it the year after? Every 2 years? If it's every 2 years, it should be next year. Because I'm gonna get the 4080 Ti, whatever it comes out with, man. 3K on GPU sounds worth it. Don, new to the channel, you are quite beautiful. Thank you, Grant X. Appreciate it. Alright. Zoom. Nice. There's a high chance it goes to the flipper, guys. Looks like it's filling the wick here, but there's a high chance it's gonna flip the crib top wick, I believe. Even if it doesn't, we would want it to, because in order for us to get positions below 1732. Oh, I didn't send the Zoom link. Oh, sorry, I was kind of vibing out. Oops. Sorry. There you go. Zoom link, Zoom link, Zoom link. My bad. Trade's taken? You're right, I forgot that too. Damn, I'm just too locked into the charts there, guys. Oops. My fault. How many people we got watching right now? We got 800. What up, 800 people? What's going on? Yeah, I didn't know. Sorry. I had no idea. All right, let's see gold. Yeah, I was gonna say, even if we have no top, even if like we have no top wick here, like I want to create a top wick either way, because if we were to get a closure below, I need a top wick on this candle to enter a position, right? It's an hourly candle too. It's not like it's a 15 candle, it's an hourly candle. So I definitely would want a top wick for me to enter a position by ADM. What up? What up? No trades of 20 minutes? I highly doubt it. No trades until 7:30 probably. Minimum. Why do you need a top wick? Down P. You've been here for a long time, down P. Surprise. Yeah, so I'll need a top wick because majority of accounts have top wicks, right? 85% of accounts have top wicks. There's a high chance that this account doesn't have a top wick. The next account will likely come up and create a top wick for price. So if you just enter a position here below, let's say you close below the range here, your stop loss is approach kind of high. There's a high chance you get stopped out if you have a stop loss above this candle here because that's no top wick. But yeah, 85% of the accounts have top wicks. The probability just decreases of the trade if a account were to have a top wick. And as for the bottom wicks just mean there's not enough range to drive up or drive down in a bullish or bearish situation. So because wicks are ranges, right? So if we were to leave a bottom wick, then that indicates that there's range to drive down. If there's no bottom wick, there's no range to drive down off of the high small time frame. Maybe I can find you. Can't too lazy to draw it out again. I think I drew it out 4 times this week, but let me just find you the post so it's easier for you. Where's the wick fill post? Where is the wick fill post? Alright, I guess this one works as well. What is a wick fill? This is a 4-hour candle, right? Leaving a wick. And you can say these are 4 1-hour candles, right? So when you look at both of them, they're the same structure. The only difference is though, there's a resistance here, or there's a high there, there's a low here, there's a low there, there's a closure, there's a wick. That closure is where the wick candle closed. So when you fill the wick, all that's happening on a smaller time frame is supports forming, resistance is here, and you're closing bullish. Wait for it. You're closing bullish at that support to retest the highs to continue up. So that's the 1-hour time frame. Meanwhile, on a higher time frame, it's just filling the wick. So when price leaves a wick, that's what happens. When there's no wick, there's no range. And there's a top wick on price. Nice. Funny because I could just unmute the video and played it, but
Wick though. This is
I decided not to. Incoming top wick, yeah. Everyone have line subs today? Yeah. I mean, everyone loves GJ on deck today, right? Right, chat? Everyone loves GJ. And then all of a sudden, one loss. Yeah, you know, GJ is not really my pair, man. I think I'm just gonna leave it. It's I've been in the industry long enough to a point where I've noticed that a lot of traders tend to go through the same cycles. They go through the cycle of, let's say for they trade only gold and GJ. It says gold and GJ strictly, and then next thing you know, GJ has some dead days, or gold has some dead days. They chalk that pair like, oh yeah, I don't want to trade gold no more. It's too messy for me, or it's too rangy for me, or whatever. And then they move into GJ, and then next thing you know, GJ gold moves and they go back to gold, and it's like, oh, I love gold, blah blah blah. GJ's too messy for me. I'm gonna drop GJ, and then it's just a cycle like a lot of traders go through. That's what I've noticed. But that cycle may end for us though, chat. If we do end off the year with a lower than 70% win rate for GJ alone, then we're gonna probably take GJ out of our arsenal. Because right now our win rate for gold is 86, 70% in GJ, overall 82. Stream is 83, roughly. Gold is 84, 85. GJ is 76. So it's not too bad. But if we do finish off below 70 this year, I will probably replace GJ with US30 next year, to be honest. And leave a runner, that's fine. I kind of treat every pair the same, guys, to be honest. I tend to treat both GJ and gold the same, equally. I know they both have their days. I know they have days where obviously where they range, right? But same analysis for both, by the way. You 30 said? Yeah, us 30. Us 30. We're gonna call it us 30 here. Was this chart USDG PY? Sells below. You just have a sell stop there. That's it. A future stop loss and a future sell stop. Not too bad. I mean, I get the idea. You're breaking out the range, right? But just no closures. Just a future sell stop and a future stop loss. Just like that. Hey man, gotta do what you gotta do, right? Manos 7. I want to take the same sell that you took, but it didn't wick up as much as I wanted. Can you explain what your thought process? Wait, when did I take the sell again? Was it right here? No, that's where it was like over here. The closure, right? I swear it was the closure. It was this candle. What is this? GJ on 30. Yeah, GJ on 30. Pretty sure it was this candle. This is a trade. It was off the 4 hour time frame, or off the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it was right here. It was sells were taken like right around here. This is a trade. I think TP was like around here. We gotta stretch the TP, to be honest. But I think I just put it right here for the next zone overall. Yeah, this is the trade. Yeah, you took the sell a bit earlier. Oh wait, no, this is after. This is way after. Yeah. You need much of a top wick. No, the sell was over here. It wasn't here. It was over here. So yeah, you might have looked at it wrong. It was over here. It was way earlier. It was like 10 p.m. Asian. But I did say, like, in the Asian session chat a lot of times, especially when we were closing bullish, like, it's still range 1, guys. It's still range 1. Still range 1. And look what happened. It was range 1, right? This is just this is just a range 1 breakout. Range 1, back into the range, filled it, came down, right? Yeah, no, it wasn't over here. It was over here. Obviously, it would be way easier. Would have been just one candle, but it was through a night. The only thing I was worried about was I knew it was gonna go close to stops, but because of a range 1, but I didn't think it would. I didn't know if it was gonna break the 4 hour highs or not, because we could have easily just broken daily highs, 4 hour highs, and still came down. I was just concerned about that this right here, because that was a range 1 breakout. The range 1 breakout pushed up, right? And I was just worried if it was gonna break the highs or not. But overall, I mean, It didn't break the highs, didn't break the 4 highs. Luckily, our stop loss was the current 1 hour high, which was also the 4 hour high. And it was there for a reason. It was there when we entered the trade on purpose too, right? So we had a pretty strong stop loss that just never got broken. By strong, I mean in terms of structure, price shouldn't have broken those highs if it wanted to drive down. If it broke those highs, then there's a high chance price is going to break data highs as well and just continue back up. But yeah, no, the trade was a didn't look as simple. Gold, nice gold here. Did you man interest? No, just TP or stop loss. Gold here is pushing up, nice. So we can look for buys here maybe in about 10 minutes here, guys. If you close above 1738, above there going up towards 1741 wouldn't be too bad in this case. Your order will be ready soon. Nice. For sure, Ted's watching the stream. I don't know, man. He comes by every now and then, but chat, let the man breathe, man. Let the man just relax, chill. I'm pretty sure if you were trading, man, you wouldn't want to be bugged like that as well. If he wants to appear on social media, he appears on social media. If he doesn't, then let the man just chill, guys. Let him just chill. At the end of the day, everyone's human, right? Oh, you make your coffee? I gotta wait for a 30-minute closure above the range. You can't. I could. I basically have tomorrow's coffee at home, but I gotta wait for a closure above the range. So in this case, I can't in this situation. Why do you enter on the close of the candle, not below the wick? Because I gotta confirm that we are gonna close above the range, and I don't want to guess and predict where we're gonna reject off. I need a candle to close to confirm if we're gonna break out the range, and then 2, I'm gonna need the bottom wick or the top wick, or to break the current highs or the previous kind of highs, right? But always closures, always. Because look at these candles still left there. If you would have entered here, you would have got clapped. Price would have came back down. Price would have came back down. This candle could still come back down, for all we know. It never closed above the zone yet, but it does in 7 minutes. If it does, then cool. Look for buys above. That'll be amazing. Yeah, dude, we should be clean to like 41 here. I think we're in the same levels as yesterday, if I'm not wrong. 41, like 42 levels should get tapped. Russian V3, nice. Did it render? Yeah, I'm pretty sure the video was rendered, right? You guys should be good now. From what time are range 1 range 2 drawn? It can be drawn on any time frame. It can be seen and structured on any time frame, but mainly we are entry time frame. So 30, 1 hour is what I'm looking at when I'm usually drawing range 1 range 2 breakouts. In this case, right now in gold, it was based off the 30-minute time frame. Let's see if you get a closure here, guys. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pretty strong resistance. Nah, what is this? Yo, you forgot to cover up the lot size and put a sniper emoji. Do they have emojis on this? There's no emojis on this, right? No, they don't have emojis on this. They have symbols though. Where are the symbols at? Here it is, but I don't think there's a sniper emoji. This will work. I guess this will work. Yeah, so usually guys, when you guys see charts, you know, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when you guys see charts, usually on Instagram, this would be the chart. This would be the chart. Right? You know how it shows a lot size of MT5? It shows like this. Let's say it shows a lot size of like I don't know, 0.02. It'd be like this. That's the sniper emoji, right? That's typically a sniper emoji. And then this is the chart, and then on the chart it'll show something like this. And we're gonna have the EMAs, the moving averages. Nah, the bank traders don't even use fibs. They just use thing. I wonder what lot size this is. You know, sometimes like when they cover lot size, I'm not gonna lie, like nothing wrong using lot size, whatever, right? But it's like if you're trying to cover a lot size, at least cover the lot size. Sometimes when you cover a lot size, I still see the numbers like, yo, I see what lot size. I think you're popping a whatever lot, right? Yeah, I don't know. Nothing wrong with it, but just if you're trying to cover, like, I don't know what the intentions are. Cover a lot size or cover a partial lot size or what? Oh man, I gotta do all my charts again, don't I? No, we never said strategy didn't work. Never said that. I'm just saying what I see on Instagram. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm not saying nothing, like it doesn't work. Obviously, all strategies work. Come on, try and have some fun, guys. Come and have some fun here. This is funny. Range, nope. Yep. I like it. Yo, new way of saying charts. Forget the buys above, sells below. We're gonna add this instead. We're gonna add images. Hey. Steph Curry here. What up, man? Steph Curry. How's that song go? There's not a song. That's Steph Curry's song. He came into my life and made my life less blurry. That's not a song? I think it's a TikTok song. I don't know what it is. It was not funny though. Is it cold up there? You guys wearing warm clothes? Yeah, it's kind of cold right now. It's 21 degrees in Canada. Nah, it's pretty hot. It's just cold in my room right now, kinda. But I gotta dip to get some coffee real soon. I haven't ordered, just gotta pick it up. But I honestly don't know if it's ready yet. There's Tim Hortons app is kinda weird. Kinda weird, chat. Kinda weird.
GM.
Came at the perfect time. Chat, chat, so we have a 1 hour closure or 30-minute closure above the range here. So it looks like buys are valid here for me. But I'm gonna need a current count stop because first count stops are a bit too wide. The range going up here is going to be roughly 19 pips minimum. I think TP is going to be somewhere at 29, 30, like 1741. So I'll probably leave it at 30. 1741 and 500. I think stops would max for me be 1735 here. But yeah, chat, some potential buy stops here. Potential. I'm just gonna need I'm expecting like right here before I place my buy stops, I'm gonna need minimum 37, 36 here to get tapped. If it flips here, it drives, but since we're using current count stops, I'm gonna need a decent low being respected or being created. All right, gold, just dip off. What hoodie you wearing? What does that say? The Supreme? Oh, no, it's just
Daydreamer.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Supreme Marshalls.
This guy says Supreme Marshalls. Strong Marshalls. Are you buying Forex support? No offense. No, man, there's no offense at all when you ask questions. It's not like you're violating or anything. You're just asking a question. No, nothing, It's okay if asking questions. Don't be like, no offense. No, it's yeah, so the forward count here is breaking forward highs. I've expected, since we're breaking forward highs here, that likely there's a high chance it may drop towards 1742 here. Yeah, we have a 1 hour closure above the range. 4 is breaking previous forward highs. I just need a bottom wick here for positions. This guy said no offense. There's no offense taken. You think we're gonna snap at you guys? Me personally, I'll take offense. Hey, yo. Yo, you think Apex Day markers or what? Or you got packed today? You monitor come yet? Not right?
Nah, but I got 60 hertz. That's all I need.
All right, my bad. Shit.
Fuck out of here. You know I'm nice with it.
We haven't or I think Loopy has been grinding on his own. He's trying to get up to like gold and shit too.
Gonna pass you.
Low key. Low key. Okay. Come on, break the lows, gold. Break the lows. Nice. All right. Can we see 1736 here? Yeah, you also have a 15 closure above too. It's mainly off of 30 here in this case though. Mainly off a 30-minute time frame. Look left here. As you can see, every time you broke above, so in this case, you broke above the range, where you drove up towards next resistance, broke above, where you do towards next resistance, rejected, didn't drive, you know, rejected here, didn't drive earlier, rejected, didn't drive, rejected, didn't drive. So every time you got a closure above, it was pretty decent. Yeah, I think these are fine now. This, all right, cool. So yeah, gonna have a buy stop here, guys. Gonna have a buy stop at 1738.708. Oops. Yeah, buy stops at 1738.708, 703. TP is at 1742. Stop loss is current low. So if this is a low right now, the stop loss is only, I think, 17 pips, 16 pips. But yeah, it's no gold. Gold's not gonna give us that stop loss. Gold's just gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna drive down for another 20 pips and give us a 4 pip stop loss. So let's see. So they create a high, right? And then it came down to rebreak the current candle low. And now it's going to create a new low. So if it rebreaks the highs again, there's no reason the thing should break the current candle low if it wants to drive up. Well, where's Wix9? Somebody's going to come today.
Scammed.
Chat, Wix9's on vacation. I finally got a word from him. He's like, yeah, I've been on vacation somewhere in Miami. Like, so you've been on vacation in your own city? But I think he went somewhere in Miami. I think it was called, what was it? I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the Morada. Oops.
Sounds fire.
Yeah, it looks like I don't know where it is. I think it's a resort. Can't tell. You went here, chat. I think it's a resort. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a resort in Miami. But he said he's coming back today though, so should be on. I think today's the last day though for Marcos, no? Oh no, you're on Friday. You're on Friday. It was.
God, this guy, bro.
It's not right. That was the keys. Eh. What does that mean, chat? English. I'm from
Florida Keys, like little islands off the coast.
So basically Florida.
Southwest.
How far is it from Florida? Like a couple hours?
It is Florida.
Yeah.
But it's basically like a Caribbean island.
Look at gold. Of course, doesn't want to give us a 16 pip stop loss. Of course, but this is good though. 36,737. Yeah, gold's not give us that 16 pip stop loss, chat. Yeah, break-even point here it will be in this case probably just break even. I'll probably let it run. But you're looking at 1739.70. Minor support to the left here, 39. Yeah, probably around here in a wick fill. I'm gonna break it at highs. Blueberry, yeah, so on Blueberry it's gonna be 1738.74. Blueberry. Man, I need to get this coffee, guys. They're probably waiting for me.
What'd you order?
From Timmy, is that pick it up? Got a large iced coffee.
Hey.
Regular cream and just
I
regular
got hot coffee.
cane sugar.
The first time in a month.
Starbucks?
No, it's homemade.
Oh, you made it.
Trying out some new grounds. You can't leave.
I know.
I might flip here. You leave at 7:45.
Yeah, if it comes down at 7:45, guys, I'll wait for the alley count closure instead. Honestly, you might even get a wick fill for the 1 hour count closure if it comes down to 8. But yeah, let's see. How long does it take before you become profitable? If you're asking that question, never. You're on your own journey. It could take you 8 months. It could take you 10 years. But you don't want to ask how long. You just want to do it. You just want to figure out a way to do it. And become consistent. All right? What's the 30-minute high on Blueberry? Where can I think it's where I have it. I have it on a little above the high. So the high is currently the high is at 1738.67. My buy stop is 7.4. Yeah, my buy stop is 7.4. Ooh, my flipper and activators chat. Or not. 5 closed bullish here. This 5 is currently on bottom wick. He does have no top wick though. So it comes down to this 5. If this 5 doesn't obviously flip bullish, it doesn't activate. This is the last 5 before the 4 to 5 candle. Probably close bearish. And then we delete buy stops for this candle and wait for the ADM candle instead. This is I'm not too sure. You gotta check it out. Not too sure. Yeah, so this trade chat would be the 1 hour closure or 30-minute closure above current break of the highs. So that's gonna be on a 1 on 30, right? So that's gonna be breakout 78%. Current highs 87. 30-minute time frame 96. As for this alone, it's gonna be breakout current 93% trade this year, basically. So it's a 90% winning trade that we're taking here. If this thing were to activate us, and if it doesn't, then we'll wait for the 1 hour candle, which means that it'll be the same thing, but just on the 1 hour time frame, which is gonna be 87% winning trade. But yeah, it looks like chat. We're probably gonna delete buy stops here, and we're gonna wait for the ADM candle here in about 18 minutes. All right, it's getting kind of close to this last 15 of the alley here. Last 2 minutes left. I don't really expect it to flip here. If it does flip, it may flip maybe the last 5 of the alley candle, but I'm gonna wait for the alley candle regardless. If it closes above 1738, we'll take buys. If it closes above 736, we'll take buys at ADM. This ADM count would be lovely if it closes where it is. We get a nice wick fill going up. So you have this range plus the next range as well. It's going to overall 50% range going up. All right, so deleting buy stops. Gonna go ahead and grab my coffee chat at BRB. Give me like 5 minutes. Just talk to Marcos. What time for do you want? Gold? 30? GJ?
Gotta be the gold 1 hour.
Gold GJ 5? I got you. All right. Baby chat.
Hola, Chad. Chad. I've been playing so much chess. I don't know what it is. I'm obsessed. Yeah, question time. What's your question? My question is, should I stream chess? I'm gonna do it anyways. I just want to see what you say. What do you think about gold fake out sells? If they happen, for me, sells have to be below like 1732 on the 1 hour. Let's support there. 1732 on the 1 hour. I think that would also be, yeah, the daily will have flipped at that point, respected the highs, weekly bearish. 4 hour be flipping bearish and re-breaking the belows at 1732. So yeah, for me, a 1 hour closure below 1732. Are you Ted? Yes. Oh god, I didn't realize there were so many. Want to go one-on-one? Sure. Do you trade full time? Yes. Are you watching V4? Yes. V4 is not out yet. You catch any Asian? No. No, I'm not Mexican. I'm Puerto Rican. Chess stream would be boring. Isn't a trading stream boring? Where are you now? New York. New York City. Challenge viewers at chess. I would just get my shit kicked out of me on chess. I'd be down. You play the Sicilian defense? I don't know. I got the achievement for playing the Sicilian defense. I play an aggressive queen. That's pretty much the only way I've been playing lately. I just got to bronze out of stone. I was in the stone league. Yes, nobody streams chess. Exactly. Devious chess turn. Yeah, I'd be with it. Favorite Apex character? Probably Gibby and then Caustic. What side hustles do you do besides FX? I have a podcast. I also have an Amazon store, but I've been really locked in on trading and content lately. Did you catch that GJ and gold from this morning? No. What do you think of Euro USD? Probably going to 50 cents, low key. I think I read somewhere that Euro has, what is it? 15 trillion euro is backed by like 80 billion US. Like, I don't know what the math is, but Euro could very well go down to 50 cents. What do you think about Connor saying Jake Paul is a nobody? I don't really think anything. I'm with it. It's all drama to sell tickets, man. How Don reading sell / buy stop from broker? Can you please teach me? I'm really sure what your question is. Would you sleep? Yeah, I'm not reading that. How much did you fund your first trading account after college? After college? Well, I started trading before college. I mean, during college. My first account was like $100. You serve in the Army? Army National Guard, yes. What site do you play chess? Chess.com. Unlimited money, the ability to teleport once per 24 hours. Unlimited money. Once per 24 hours is not a lot. Unlimited teleport over unlimited money, though. Chess stream would be elite. A Pathfinder all day. What's the game name? Chess. If you're talking about my name, it's The Culture Shift on chess, which is also the name of my podcast. Tons of GM stress. Stream chess. Yeah, true. I don't know how many people are doing like noob to good though. Reset me. Crap. How NFTs doing for you lately, fam? I don't really do NFTs anymore, man. You get in and get out. It's like a trade. TP'd in like May. What are you selling on Amazon? Home goods, home improvement, stuff like that. Play me on the chess app. I'm down. You wish me all the pips. Thanks. Much love. How long have you known Don and how did you meet? I met Don on the stream in February 2021 or March 2021. If they start to devalue euro and dollar to prop up the digital currencies, I don't think it would happen. Did you apply for jobs after graduation? Yeah, I actually applied for a job at a financial, what do you call it, private equity firm. And then I made it to the second round of interviews and then I pulled out to focus on business. Just take my shot. Some fake account with your name. Well, block them, please. It's people. It's the bad bunch of apples that watch the streams that make fake accounts of me, Don, and Wix. What do you say when people tell us that Forex is like gambling? It is like gambling. Jones versus Ngannou, who wins? That's tough. I wouldn't bet against Jones. Do you trade percentage or lot size? Lot size. What's your current lot size? 5. Ace of 3 and a 5. Teleport is clutch. Facts. Skipping all your wild questions. What's your favorite TV show? I don't really have a favorite TV show. I like a lot of TV shows. What's the meaning of Marcos? I don't know. Marcos 1v1. If I win, I get admin. You will never get admin in your lifetime, MM. Stops too much now. We're waiting for the 1 hour anyway. We need a closure above on the 1 hour. 17:38 in 10 minutes. Do you have a job or did you just do FX? I just do FX. You have BTC, yes. I'm sexy, thanks. Where do you think Arsenal will finish the season? Just hope and pray for top 4. It's gonna be tough. The league it's really tough next year. Is this you with the anime profile picture? Yeah. Difference between lot size and percentage trading. The difference is you either change your lot size to risk exactly X percentage, or you just stick with the same lot size with the risk that you're okay with. How much should you be making a month on FX to be doing FX full time? I think you should have 6 months plus of expenses saved up. So if your cost of living is 5,000, you should have 30,000 in your bank account, savings account saved. And then on top of that, I think you should be making 2 times your cost of living from FX because it's variable. It could be up and it could be down. So you should be making, if your cost of living is 1,000, you should be making minimum 2,000 from FX plus have 12,000 in your bank. Hashtag math. I think I fucked that math up, but you know what I'm saying. How is fixed plot better than percentage? It's not. It's just personal preference. Square footage of your home? Not much. I actually don't know, but I need to know for my taxes because I have to write off half of it for my office. Fudge. It keeps resetting. Do you play Fortnite? I used to play with my friends. Haven't been recently, but I always go back eventually. Jordan is scared. Jones is scared? Maybe. I think he just wants a lot of money. Gold is consolidating. Better look at GJ. I only trade gold, man. Look at GU. No. Favorite YouTubers? Let me check my subs. Like Ryan Trahan. Christian Guzman's cool. All the YouTubers I watch don't upload consistently. That's the sucky part. Are you a top G? Yes. Can you invite Ted on the podcast? Yeah, one day. What part of Canada are you from? Don's from Toronto. I'm not from Canada.
What the part of Canada are you from? Honestly, Marco's looks like Canadian though.
Do you say you are a trader when asked what you do for a living? No, I say finance. Say finance. And then if they go deeper, I'll say I'm a commodities trader. But usually people shut up at finance. Unless you're in New York. Everyone works in finance. You're looking to buy more BTC? Yeah, here and there. It's a good investment. Low risk portfolio. Hey, W.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness.
Hey.
She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business.
Last question. Fave anime? It will always be Naruto. But recently, I've been liking Demon Slayer. Caught up on Demon Slayer, caught up on Attack on Titan, and I'm gonna catch up on Jujutsu Kaisen, and then I'm gonna watch the new Hunter x Hunter when it comes out, and I'm gonna watch Spirited Away soon. Movie.
Spirited Away. I think I watched that already.
You like it?
Yeah, I like that. Was pretty good. Spirited Away, right? I'm pretty sure I watched this. When did it come out? 2017 or something?
I have no
Oh,
idea.
2001. It came out a long time. Yeah. This is a new one you're talking about. This is the one, right?
Yes, that's the one.
Yeah. I think I watched it.
I've been recommended it too many times. I have to watch it now. DBZ is the best anime? Nah. DBZ is iconic, not the best. Color play? Water bottle grab? Water bottle?
Mm-hmm. Storage back in that resistance. Donval, do you believe... Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
I don't want to interrupt the Q&A.
Q&A has ended.
What was the best question you got?
Anime question. What you laughing for?
Donval, do you believe in market repeats of structures? Here you go, man. See yourselves here? Breakout, breakout, onion, fake out, breakout. Every day, breakout, onion, breakout, fake out, breakout. Yeah, of course it repeats itself. Breakout, onion, fake out. breakout,
Giggles,
onion.
Chad.
Nah.
Never seen that video? It's Shadio Mane. He's the best player in the world.
Yo, you watched the Andrew Tate in a Raw stream yesterday?
I watched the whole thing.
You watched the whole thing? I watched parts of it. It was bad.
I watched all the clips.
I realized I actually like Andrew Tate. Who I didn't like though, like, not that I didn't like him, it was the other guy. What's his name? It's not that I didn't like him. I just like at first glance I was like, this guy's kind of sound kind of annoying. You know that guy from that Fresh and Fit podcast?
Yeah, I don't really vibe with that podcast.
Yeah, I
think
didn't.
the dudes have anger issues. Bro.
Yeah, that's who I thought he was Andrew Tate for some reason at first. I'm like, yeah, this guy's kind of annoying, but no, yeah, what's his name? I don't know what his name is, but yeah, that's the guy that I didn't really like mess with.
I swear those dudes have anger.
Yeah, the Fresh and Fit podcast. They have like I think 700K. I mean, they're funny, but yeah. I mean, I can watch them. I can watch the podcast, but it's, yeah.
That was funny. They're gonna do a Aiden Ross dating 8-person dating thing with Andrew Tate next week or this week.
Didn't they already do an E-Day already? Or is it in person?
No,
in person.
It's gonna be like a full thing. 8 people on in a row on Discord. Aiden Ross just tweeted it the other day. I don't know if that counted, but
Fresh and Fit aren't funny. Hey man, just for future references in case you see this right here, this VOD specifically. I don't want nothing to do with that. Hey, someone asked earlier a question about why you wait for closures, and this is kind of why, right? You can see here the 1 hour counter here may not close above, may look at these candles still left. Remember yesterday's gold counter chat at like 8 p.m. Same thing happened, you know. This candle came all the way up and closed back into the range. This candle came all the way up back into the range, all the way up back into the range here. So same gonna happen here, and if we're starting to confirm this resistance here, right? There's a slight chance that once you get a small time frame confirmation, 3 minute 15, you may look to drive down if you're respecting that resistance at 1735 here. GJ, Yeah, GJ breaking lows here, but you have about 40 seconds left for alley closure, which looks like you may get an alley closure on. You have a 1 hour support down here though at 17 161 870 here. So we'll see if it closes or not. Birds, what's your heart rate right now? We're looking at GJ. How many beats per minute?
Way too high.
This message. GJ. Crap, bot. So like, how many that's a thing? How many you guys caught on? Or you guys are using it in chat? And right at support. Well, that's what you do. Leave on 2 gold. Why do you trade GJ? Because I trade GJ. What? Why do you trade gold? Why do you trade US 30? Why do you trade JER 30? Why do you trade NAS 100? Why? Why do you trade it? Why do you even trade at all? Trading is a scam. No bottom wick, yeah. Yeah, gold here closed respecting this resistance, you guys. So, or overall, this resistance at 736 here. So, this is interesting now because you have a 30-minute fake out back into the range here. You have a 15, I think, fake out back into the range as well. I believe this 30-minute candle breaking back into the range, like with the 1 hour closing respecting resistance, should be able to come down. The only thing here I'll say is stops. Stops on 30. First count is 30 pips for a TP of 30. I guess that's a 1-to-1. Tapping those levels there. I want to see a bit higher of a wick, maybe like tapping 736, 0.700. But nonetheless, this 30-minute candle breaking back into the range should fill the wick here coming down. I think that wick fill going down is roughly 10 pips, and then the rest of the range is 30 pips alone. I just want a little bit of a steeper wick. The 1 hour is bullish, but understand how it closed bullish here. It closed bullish respecting resistance here, right? 30-minute onion or 30-minute fake out into range 1 in this case, so you can say. Yeah, this isn't bad. I just want to see a bit of a steeper wick, but if it drives, it drives. Also, another reason why I wanted a steeper wick too is because I didn't really have time to enter sell stops there. I was just right at the flip. So, kind of forced to wait for a steeper wick here, and then re-enter and breakout lows probably. That'll be the sell stops. No, it's not gonna give us a top wick, eh? I'm not in chat, by the way, in case you guys are asking. I'm waiting for the re-break of the lows after a steeper top wick. Honestly, I believe it makes more sense to use the previous 1 hour high, because the previous kind of high 30. If you're using the previous kind of high, you might use the previous 1 hour kind of high, but it doesn't make sense to use the previous 1 hour high because the bullish kind of high. You can easily break and still drive. So I think it makes more sense here to use a current kind of high. So if you get a nice top wick tapping like 37,500 around those levels, you can use current count stops instead, and it'll be a bit smaller. It'll be probably 20 pips. I mean, it is a 30-minute trade though. Let's see. Are you excited to trade when you wake up? Another day at the office. I guess so. I like my job. I like streaming. I'm more excited to talk to chat than to trade. Because trading is just trading, right? Will you tell us when to take the trade? Yes, just like we've been doing all year. With every single trade we've taken this year that you see at the bottom right of my screen, the whole record, every trade was documented and taken on a live stream. None of them were off stream. None of them were, oh, I got 10 pips 20 minutes ago, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's taken on the screen with you guys. Don't worry. When I'm in, Yes, doesn't know what I'm in. Fake live trade. Imagine. Download my hacks. Futurecandles.exe. Alright, gold's gone. Gaming, who tagged me here? This guy tags me at 12 a.m. Are you watching this, Don? Wix 9. See, the breakout lows gives you what on 30? They issue the breakout lows. I want to be break even at that point. Breakout lows also the 15 lows. Yeah. GJ? GJ, what's it doing? Guys, why you guys spamming GJ? Brother. Do you see how he closed there, brother? If you're in a position, I mean, if you're gonna get in, right? If you're comfortable with it, get in. But I have no bottom wick here, so in this case, I'm gonna wait for. Well, the 1 hour has no bottom wick. I'm probably gonna wait for 9 a.m. for GJ. It did close below, but it just has no bottom wick. How big are your stops here for this 30? Where is this? Right there. That's gonna be. Yeah, no. I'd rather get in on his current breakout lows chat. We're using current counter stops. We're gonna hold out. Chad, you can start looking at GJ. I get it though, but look left, like something happened over here. You kind of see the support being respected here as well on GJ. Will you let Marcos run a stream on his own? I don't think he wants to run a stream on his own. If he does, he'd run on his channel. I don't think he want to run this stream. Doesn't make sense. Why?
Yeah, you're tripping.
Yeah, if he runs streams, he does run streams on his own. Right? He does simulations. Go on Marcos Rez or the Culture Shift or Exclamation Point podcast, and you should have the channel there. But he does streams there all the time.
I got you. Exclamation point Marcos.
Yeah.
There you go.
He always does streams. Wow.
I'm not trading it. I'm not streaming Asian or London.
Chat, you know, there's one thing you guys don't understand, man.
Tiring as fuck to be on camera. That's that's what you gotta understand.
Wait, what you say?
It's tiring as fuck to be on camera.
Yeah.
Imagine being on camera for 2 whole sessions. Your outfit inspired by gore? Yeah.
By the way, yesterday I saw Thor. Marcos, I'm disappointed how you like that movie, someone said. You got movie critics in the chat, Marcos.
Loved it. I think people watch Marvel movies with the wrong mindset. They go to have a good time, you know?
I go for popcorn.
If you just buy in to the whole universe and just watch it, enjoy it, be all right. Going to critique it, you're gonna hate the whole thing. Thor was mid, Doctor Strange was garb, End was horrible. How do you enjoy anything? You just gotta go with the flow, man. Go with the flow. Enjoy it. Dudes walk to the movies with a clipboard.
Chat, gold may just drive without us, but fine. It's fine. Yeah. Honestly, the only reason why we didn't have sell stops in the flip here was one, we wanted a little steeper wick, but the only reason I wanted a steeper wick was just because literally when I saw the whole trade here, we were already basically about to flip, and I knew if I put a sell stops there, I wouldn't have had time to really have the sell stops or anything. So I'm like, okay, well, probably gonna wait for a steeper wick and then wait for the break of the lows, but price never create that for us. So Top Gun Maverick, pretty cool movie. Oh my god, top wick here. No, did you just sell stops? No, brother. There's no bottom wick here. Good morning, Vietnam. What's going on? How long I've been using this strategy? I'll say 2 years and some change. Or 3 years. 3 years. 2019. Was no bottom wick indicate? If you go to the beginning of my stream today, I think I explained it. I think it was around 740 or something. I can find it right here. Go to like 710 on the live streams and I explain it there. Today's live stream. A bigger monitor, 24. 24.5. I don't know what a 0.5 is there, but 24.5 inches. Pretty cool monitor. I love it. Wait, are you getting the same monitor, Marcos? Or are you getting a new one?
New of the same one.
Damn, I thought they were saying you a better one.
I don't think they get better. I heard 300 plus hertz is laggy.
Yeah, it's useless. How much is your PC? It was like 2K, 2.5, 2.7. Wasn't that crazy. But next year, chat, I'm upgrading to I'm probably gonna get a completely new PC. I'm probably gonna use this as my streaming one. Because I can't use the other one on my streaming one because I think the graphics is kind of fried on that one. So I'm gonna keep this one for streaming, and then the new one is be a gaming PC. So I should have a pretty good game setup next year. That's if I even go full time gaming. How do you guys meet? Tinder. What happened to the euro? Bearish. Did you just flip? Yeah, no bottom wick. No one peeped the comment. Oh, and I just gave you a question. Do you think I changed my life if I focus all my attention on trading and watch the streams every single day and learn? I am about to start uni in about 2 months. I don't really want to. Nah, man, start uni. Trust me. Start uni, or actually, I don't want to give advice, but I guess you just treat trading as a hobby. Treat trading as a hobby. Don't get into trading thinking you'll make it out with trading. Get into trading, keeping it as a hobby. And if it works out, it works out naturally. But don't force it. Don't like quit what you've been doing your whole life just for trading. Make sure trading actually replaces your initial income, and then maybe you can think about it. All right, guys, this 15 here on gold here, pretty nice closure, to be honest with you. You have this 15 here that closed bullish. You can say doji bullish, so technically this can still drive up, but you're still below its resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if you end up coming back flipping bearish here at any given point. So there's no sells here obviously yet. This 15 driving up could give us a top wick on the 1 hour candle here. I believe once you rebreak the 30-minute lows though at 1734, you would have this range drive down to fill 1732 here, and that would be too bad. You do have COMEX open though in about 5 minutes. This is pre-COMEX. So we'll see what happens. I do see a potential range 1 on 5 that could potentially play out if you break below these ranges there, but let's see. At this point, I think it's best to wait for a 30-minute candle to close. Maybe 8:30, and then if you get this bullish down closure respecting 36, we can have sub stops after. If not, you break above and you break 1 hour highs, 30-minute highs, and you take buys above 38. This range for me is no trade range, so I'm gonna avoid this range. Some buys above here and just sells below these ranges here. You have a sell limit on COMEX, but let's see. All right, there we go, confirmed. has a sell limit on COMEX. Because yesterday he said buys and sells, and he said I told you the buys play out. Which one was it? So today I'm confirming. You said you have a sell limit on COMEX, but let's see. Take a screenshot. Chat will remember. H2O gratifications. What was the feeling of being a full-time trader for a year? It's really just a business. It's just a job. You show up every day. You mug. Trade watch. Someone's got sell stops on GJ. My mind is telling me no. All right. Let's lock it in. This 1 hour wick fill is how big? Oh, 37 pips. Yeah, this is great. Okay, I'm gonna have sell stops probably. Here's the thing, like I don't want to have now and delete them for 8:30, but I believe the COMEX drew to drive down here on the 5 here and break below 30-minute lows. First 30-minute lows, there's a high chance it can fill the rest of the range coming down towards 1732 here. It just comes down to stops. I don't think stops are even positive here in this case. Stops are still going to be, I mean, stops at 24 pips. The range going down is only 20 pips basically. Unless you have runners coming down towards 1728. If you wait for 30-minute candle closures, you have a smart stop. because you're using current 30. Let's see. Because if you drive down here, if you flip bearish and you drive down below 34, I believe that's where the 4 flips. 4 flips bearish. We're respecting resistance. This 4 count should drop down towards the bottom range with the daily. Yeah, 28 is not bad. Yeah, check out how sell stops. Sell stops on the break of the current 1 hour low or previous 30-minute low. I think it's the difference here is going to be roughly 2 pips. So we're gonna have sell stops here. $17.34, 5.11. Yeah, that 5 closed above, right? Yeah, you break the lows here though. Yep. Stop loss is current kind of high. So the high is gonna be 17.37. It's gonna be a 25 pip stop, I believe. Nice. I believe we're activated. I'll just put this. All right, yeah, chat. So sells has been activated here. Got some sells on the breakout lows. Stop loss is the current kind of high for around 24 pips. TP is down here for around 28. I'll probably move stops to break even. I'll say probably around here at like 733 at that level. That's when I'll move stops to break even. And we'll let the rest run towards minimum 728 or 732. Sorry. So that's the break even point. I'll probably close partials at 732 and then let the rest 732 for 500 and then let the rest run towards 1728 here. Overall, that's the trade. So current count stops, right? Because this is the hour candle. I believe this hour candle breaks the highs, you're gonna fill the rest of the wick. There's no point of having a higher stop. You break the 1 hour highs, you're probably gonna drive up towards like 1738 and such. So there's no reason to have a bigger stop than that in this case. Let's see what happens. But yeah, it was Comex. That was a 5-minute range one that I mentioned, right? I mentioned earlier 5-minute range one, and then kind of what put the trade together was the 4-hour flip, because the 4-hour flip now, you see the 4-hour flipping, and you see how earlier we also mentioned how the 4-hour flips bearish. It respects this resistance. It likely should drop down, and that's what we're kind of doing here. All right, yeah, chat. So I'm gonna move my stops to break even here, and then let the rest run towards TP, but minimum break even here for me in this case.
www.
Didn't close partials or anything, just stops to break even. We did tap that minor support. My entry is 1734.57. Looks like we may get tapped. If you get tapped, it's okay because you have 830 in about 8 minutes here, but obviously you don't want to get tapped. You want to obviously survive 830 candle. But if you do, just saying, we may get in a position at 830. And at 830, you have an actual closure below the range. This is anticipation of Comex and the 4-hour flip here. So
let's go one more push.
Oh.
So clean. Minimum 1732, I think.
Yeah, that's where I have my 50% close.
Same.
You leaving runners?
Definitely.
The daily
runners down at like 1722, bro.
Yeah, I got 28. 22 is where is that? Yeah, that's the day wick fell. That's the whole correction of that move.
Should pop here.
The chat literally didn't have time to even sell stop. I just manually executed, but it was the same entry price. It was 57. 1734.57. Like it was like maybe like a less than a pip difference. But
had sell stops on the 15 flip.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Didn't get slipped, surprisingly.
Good reading that 15. Disrespecting resistance here.
Here we go. One more push. would like to close half before 8:25.
Yeah, before the 30. This 5 has no bottom wick here. I'm gonna close half. Cause then we're gonna pull back for the 30 if it has no bottom wick. It's a pre-5. No bottom wick it is. Oh.
There you go. You asked for it.
All right, guys. I'm gonna close my positions here, locking in 10 or 11. But then I'm gonna let the rest rock towards TP. But yeah, closing partials there. I think we're gonna let the rest run towards 28 now. I don't think I'm gonna close any partials until 28. But that was a 50 closure. Yeah. So I guess a trade there in this situation was like, I guess you guys can say it wasn't as like simple, you know. It was a bit of experience with the higher time frames. Like in this case, like it's a lot of anticipation. Like that drive down here on a 30. Like if you guys think about it, we're breaking back into the range. Like what's the range fill here in this case? The range fill is gonna be down at 1732, right? So if you're anticipating this count to drive down towards 732, you can kind of just do this on your chart. Be like, okay, well, if this is our entry right here, and that 32 is our next support on the 4-hour time frame, what's happening? It's the 4-hour flip, right? And then you go on a daily, as the 4-hour flips, what happens? Day count flips. Day count flips with the day of bias after creating a steeple top wick should continue to drive down. So that's why we got runners now towards like 28 here. But yeah, chat, that's your trade. So congrats.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
I miss that, man. There's nothing better. I'd rather be here listening to that than Miami listening to reggae.
What?
You like reggae?
Yeah. Of course.
Go to Don Dance Chap. We're gonna find out in Vancouver.
What? Where are we going?
Pause.
Bro, my foot's asleep right now.
We're gonna go to the Vancouver clubs. Eee, here we go.
Oh wait, wrong spreadsheet. I'm like, what?
Hey y'all, 1722 thoughts. I'm gonna remark my time frames.
What?
We need a 30 closure here below.
Nah, just draft now. Should be good.
We have 3 minutes. We can go to 1720.
Oh, we have 3
Did you guys
minutes.
see last night, bro? Like 5 minutes.
Of
300
course.
pips.
Yeah, that was insane. That was actually insane. What trade was that? That was a fake out, right? On 30? Fake out on 30, chat. Damn, my win rate on 30 went really high. First count high or low went full risk, and then close half at 10. Let the rest TP. Yeah. But chat, that was wow. That winner.
Exactly perfect comic cells.
Yeah. That was look at that 30. Oh, 96. I think it barely went up. Oh no, it's not in yet. I don't think it's in yet, but yeah, man. Perfect comics. Good read in the 15.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Like 15 pip stops.
Yeah, no, on the break of the highs. Yeah, chat. So the reason why these are our breaking points here was just because very I don't want to say like a minor support here. So you obviously don't want to avoid. You want to take advantage at those levels. And it's funny because I made a video on that in my course yesterday about advantage points. This is a great example of it, right? The advantage point here was going to be right around here at these levels. So that's when you probably want to close partials. And yeah. Next support is gonna be at 28. So all you need now is a closure below here. But the question is, you have a minute left. Are we gonna survive with our entry here after a top wick? Chances are slim here, unless it just pulls down here. But chances are very slim, I'll say. If you guys want, you guys move your stop loss to break even where I have it. It's 34.57, which just got tapped. Never mind. All right, well, that's a trade. Yeah, my breaking point got tap chat. I am out, but you do have a third closure here in about 34 seconds here, so you may have another entry. You did break the 1 hour lows too, so that was great. You cleared that 1 hour candle. Let's see if we can get this though. I think it was 11. Yeah, there it is. 96.30. Trade's taken. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can get some more positions here. In this case, the 3-minute count did close back into this range here. I think I have the outline from the 4-hour candle, but it did close back into the range here. Nothing really changes. Like overall, it's the same situation as this candle. This thing just left. I think I just left the wick fill. I believe after creating a top wick, I probably want to see it tap like 36. The breakout lows would be the entry for me. But I'm gonna need a top wick first, if you even get a top wick. I know Marcus was in, so I don't want to ask for a top wick, but
hey, you gotta do what you gotta do for the greater good. This is a communist stream.
5-minute range one. I think earlier someone asked me about range 1 too. Like, where do you have it? Like, it's in every time frame. It just comes down to like what you're looking at the current moment. In this case, the story here was the COMEX, right? 820. So in order for the COMEX to make sense with the daily trend, you need a 5-minute fake out. In this case, what happened here? Range 1, support, resistance, right? Range 1, this is a range 1 breakout. That was a false breakout, situation to the downside. And that can happen on any time frame. Daily, weekly, 15, 1 hour, 30, right? Any time frame. It just comes down to when you anticipate the volume. 10-bit link doesn't work. It should work. Free training journal. Go outside. Been deleted. Hey, Badger, what's going on? What do you mean deleted? Checking. I think it might be on my end, to be honest. I don't think you did anything to. Let me check. Template. I just gotta click the link. I think train journal. File. Share. Publish to web. I'm going Nightbot. What's the thing called? Journal. Yeah, chat. It should be good now, I think. Try it out. Should be good. Yeah, should be good. Woke up an hour late. God damn. You mean 2 hours late? Hey, what? We're not gonna give we did. Congrats, We both won. Yeah, called it earlier. He has sell limits. I don't know where though, but I'm guessing that resistance too. Common entry pre 820 is exactly US 30 at 930. Yeah, I can imagine. But 5-minute is scary when you look at, and yeah, look at the US 30 at 925, 730. Yeah, it's just a pre-opening out of NYC opening. Can check your why it's been like that for the past 2 days. I got you. While we wait for gold here. Um. I mean, it's been the past 2 days. It's pretty, looks pretty. I mean, I can see why you're asking. Yeah, I mean, daily is clean. Daily came down to as expected. Came down, tapped out support. That was expected. As for positions though, I can see why it gets a bit choppy because the ranges here get a bit sluggish. I'll say, yeah, below these ranges here would be clean, but overall, you don't really have a lot of clean traffic. I believe once you break out the 30,800 zone, it'll be a lot cleaner. Below there, you have clean traffic coming down towards 30,600. So that'll be a lot cleaner. But until you have that, you know, it's gonna be tough in this range here. Probably want to avoid it. Pretty good day, chat. I think we all can say, we all kind of agree, right? Damn. A2 again, we go. 82.95. Yeah, this thing doesn't change anymore. The win-loss ratio does not affect. Like, I think we're gonna be stuck within the 80 zone the whole year unless going
trying to get above 85.
Yeah. I think a lot of the losses came from May and June. Just May. May we took 4 losses, chat. It's quite a bit in a month.
What's gold's win rate?
85.
85.
Students is 87.
Damn. 87.
I was 89.
90.
Yeah.
Like to round. That's 90.
Chat, NYC onion play. So the first thing we said today was there was a resistance here, right? So this bullish count just indicated that we were at resistance. There was no confirmation yet. But if you get a 4 candle closure here, that's your confirmation. That's your confirmation that we have found resistance. So I believe if this 4 candle closes below this zone here, below 732-ish levels, then great. Next 4 candle likely should drive down, doing something like this for the rest of the zone, rest of the range towards 1722, 1720, or to fill that wick there. That's your next support. Minimum is 1728, and then next target is 1722-ish, 724. So I'll look for sells probably next on the 4 candle. Probably gonna wait for this 4 candle to close at this point. Couldn't get in here, obviously. So I'm gonna have to wait for the 4-hour onion or 4-hour closure here. Not bad though.
Might wait for NYSC to pop down. Looks like price is vibing right now.
Might pop here. It could pop, come down 30 and pull back for the 4-hour candle.
Maybe. Doesn't pop off then at 840.
Quick US starting ass, I did already.
My boys at Wall Street are feeling manipulative right now.
What do you mean? Who works there?
They want entries. All my boys in Wall Street. They want entries at 1738, 1740. JK.
I'm like, yo, for the longest time I was like, okay, go on, I'm confused. It's talking about.
I'm gonna call the market maker.
Why you don't take cryptocurrency? You know, I'm not gonna lie, I've attempted it. The website I use doesn't really have a crypto payment system. Like for the course it does. I believe I can set that up pretty easily, but for the signals it doesn't, because I have to use a specific Discord bot thing to do the signals. So they don't have it there, because that bot took forever to find on Discord, first of all. Second of all, it's gonna be even harder to find one that has Discord, that has cryptocurrencies in it. I asked them to if they can add it, and they said as of right now they have no plans yet, but I mean maybe one day. And I don't really take payments off the side too, so it's just you know, just pay by debit, man. Huh? Pay by debit credit. You know. Yeah, quick user story analysis. Got you. Are you ready? Are you ready? I won't even show. Never mind, there's no point.
Saw a big red candle. You ready?
You ready, guys? Monthly bearish. Here, hold on. I'll do for where my annotations at. All right, so monthly here closed bearish below his range. Looks like you're gonna come down towards the 30,000 mark for the month. Weekly time frame looks like it's bearish right. It's reverse. So right now it's in the range. You guys can say you're in the range here from here to here. So there's nothing you can do here. We did close bullish on Friday, but you closed bullish right at resistance. So this week's candle will determine that in 3 days. If you get bearish candle closure below his range here, you can look to drive down next week for that monthly target. I believe the day time frame is pretty bearish today though. You can say the day time frame did get tapped, came down, tapped target at 30,900. Forward candle was pretty bearish as well. You're just kind of ranging here. There's really no volume just yet. Wait for NYC open at 9:30. Right now you're in a range from here to like basically here. So sells below here would be ideal because this is your most recent support. You break below there, you have clean traffic coming down towards next support down at 30,600. That's your clean range driving down. So if NYC drives down, breaks below there, you can take sells at 9:30. That's your analysis.
Nice.
Honestly, Chad, if I was trained by myself, that's how I do my analysis for me too. That's how I do US 30 in gold, or GJ in gold. Same thing. Gold here coming down, breaking out lows. If it breaks the lows here, there's a slight chance. If it breaks the lows, the 1 hour lows before 9 a.m., there's a high chance this thing may drive down. You may see probably 1730, like I said, 729, and then it'll pull back for the 4 hour candle. Leaving a wick fill for the 4 hour candle. So don't worry. You may see a drive here. Don't get FOMO though. If you're in, congrats, but don't get FOMO if you're not in. Just wait for the 4 hour candle, because pretty sure we'll get a wick fill. She is at 4x speed. 4x. Hey. Sipping on that coffee in the morning and a tezzy. Driving to NYC. Is that who you're talking about, Marcos?
Mm-hmm.
If you're in Canada, how long? Oh, brother. If you're in Canada, how long do you know NYC session will typically last? What? Really? Time zones? Come on. Time zones. Count Chile. Time zones, man. Where are you from? Let me ask. What city are you from? You know, big forexfactor.com, go down to the bottom of the page right here. If you set your time to your current time zone, so right now it's 8:44, save settings. You go down here, to the bottom of your screen. Why is it not refreshing? 8:44. This shows your NY session time zone. So NY session starts at 8 a.m. It ends at what time? 5 p.m. London, what time? 3 till 11. Tokyo, 8 till 5. Cindy, which is right a bit before Tokyo, is from 5, the opening markets, till 2 a.m. Those overlap, these overlap. $15 may close, respect them. Still bearish though. Still a high chance to break the 1 hour lows here, guys. Can you break the 1 hour lows, gold? Gold going on with the push here. Let's see.
Close below most recent on the 15.
Yeah, it did. Yep. Let's see, guys. Can gold break the lows? Where's my is that it? No, that's it right there.
Hello. No, I need something.
Like a pilot.
Yeah, I need. Hello. Yeah, that
What do you call it? The CDL commentary voice. Nate shot with the Nate shot going in. Capping the flag. We're spreading on gold because it makes a big difference when I move styles to break even 10 pips. I got 1 pip. 1.2, 1.4, 1 pip, 1.3.
Yeah, brother. You could always account for spread.
Yeah, 1 pip won't make a
Lose 1
difference.
pip instead. Lose 2 pips. Not gonna make you profitable.
Yeah.
To lose 2 pips. I don't though. I let spread take me out.
I got clapped on GJ. Why'd you get clapped? Did you have sell stops on the breakout lows with no bottom wick? Is that why? Yep. Man. 1 hour close right at that support. 2 second red flag. You had no bottom wick. 2 red flags. When you have 1 red flag, you kind of want to stay out. But 2 red flags, you want to just stay out. You want to just close the charts. Don't even get tempted, you know? Play some Apex. Bro, I realized you're going back to a 60 monitor for a day. Right, you're gonna feel a huge difference. Like going back is crazy. It feels like you're playing on a whole different universe. Don's coming out sweat. And what? In Apex? Give me 5 more months. 1 month down. I'll stream today though, chat. I'll stream today. If I play.
I said, give me 6 more months.
5 months now, you know? 1 month down.
Give me 7 months. That'll be nasty.
I take a long time to build on games, you know? Because what's hard for me about games is I gotta commit. Once I commit, I'm locked in. But then once I lock in, I gotta get used to all the mechanics. Maybe a month or 2. Like I'm pretty comfortable with it right now, but like getting cracked as I was in Warzone, give me 6 months.
Ooh, flipping.
Works to become a sweat. Oh yeah, that guy.
You guys got 10,000 hours played already. I'll play some Apex right after stream with you on your stream.
Yeah, your break is low.
Controller, bro. I haven't even used it.
Oh yeah, you didn't use that. You didn't play Apex yesterday at all?
Ah, bro, look. Shit's fire.
Sheesh. Does it work? Does it work?
Got paddles and everything. Can disable those buttons.
Who's the homie driving? Our boy Ike. Ike, you know what you gotta start doing, Ike? You gotta start getting a microphone. Bring that into the car. Because every time I meet you, I hear the car. Even though, oh, this guy's Batman. Sheesh. Sheesh. Where's a Captain America suit? That's what we need.
Yeah, I gotta get that. It's Amazon Prime Day, so maybe there's a good deal.
Is it?
That's the Amazon.
Yeah.
That's a thing.
Hey, yo. What should I order,
I
chat?
picked up. They had these. I actually bought them today. There's, I guess, like the Facebook portal, which is like almost like a 10-inch Alexa talking type thing. Normally 180, and they're $35 today. You can get a max of 2. So
Oh.
I ordered 2. I'm not sure if I need them, but if it's normally 180 and it's 35 today, I'm taking them. Maybe I'll sell them online or give them as a gift or something.
35.
That's called drop shipping, chat.
I need a mobile charger. Portable charger. I'm gonna order one.
I didn't know that was a thing. Prime Day. Damn, I should have bought my mouse thing today.
Yeah, I'll check out prop mics. I'll have one suction cup to the roof.
Forex Batman. Batman FX.
Yeah, that GJ trade overnight. Money.
Yeah, that was very nice.
The one that sent in the signals. Like,
Yeah.
I fell asleep after I put it in. Woke up in the middle of the night and I see, and then I was in drawdown, but I saw you told people to put into BE, but I already missed the BE message. So
I was asleep too. Yeah.
drawdown.
Oh damn, this is my.
Yeah, hit T on both. So
Yeah.
nice trade.
Yeah, bro, woke up with TP. Nice. Yeah, gold's dropping here, guys. I definitely see it. I did say, like, if it does break before the 9 a.m., you may see a slight push here. I mean, I was expecting a bit steeper. I was honestly expecting, like, maybe 30, 29 here minimum. But if it starts pulling back, it'll pull back for the 4 candle, which is this is perfect. Because, like, look at the 4 candle, right? Going to 4 hour time frame, all you gotta do is draw 2 lines on your screen. Draw a line here, and you draw a line here. And it's pretty straightforward after that, man. This 4 candle, next one, should fill the wick and fill the range going down towards 1728, which is 30 pips. And if you want runners, down towards 1722, 24-ish levels. And all you gotta do really is wait for a top wick here. Once you tap probably 1735, you can probably have sell stops. Something like this. But I mean, let's see if he can if he loses a wick, or he might just drive the last 8. Where's the guy is doing every day? He hey, who you asking about? Record done? Oh yeah, the record. Thank you. Record 73 for the year. 73, right? 73, 15, 19. I get DMs asking if the record is it legit. Like, yeah, the links are there. And then monthly is that's the 3rd win, right? Yeah, 3, 1, and 3. Kind of slow month. Have you ever traded gold? Yes, we have. Look at all those water bottle grabs at 1742, 38, 36. What does having a topic tell you? It tells me that the solar eclipse is gonna line up with the sun one day, and no, it just tells me that it indicates I guess you can say liquidity grab, creating a top wick to drive down a lower high. Usually 85% of candles have top wicks, right? So when a candle doesn't have a top wick and we enter a position, that position alone goes from like a 85 to like a 60, 70 off the rip because you have no top wick, right? Obviously you might have into a line. A top wick's just part of that. Show me the color code for your candles. Yeah, it's a standard candles. It's just a standard. I just turned the grid off, and yeah, everything's the same. It's all standard. Nothing changes. The background is gonna be, where's the background? Appearance right here. Gradient, and it's on this. Actually, I don't know what that is, if I'm being honest. Can you show this your Patreon, see how it looks like? Yeah. It's all here. GSLs, everybody got clapped. Yeah. Too many red flags there, man. No bottom wick, no range to drive down. You want to stay out. Yeah, gold closes right here. It's perfect. I wanted to close like right here. Right here. In 4 minutes. If we can just hold. Hodl, gold, hodl. I have a feeling the next candle's gonna drive no bottom wick, no top wick though. And we might not get an entry for the 4 hour candle. Time zone Eastern. Jesus. What was he gonna do? I was gonna play the audio. Hold on. What's it called? Yeah, if you have to take jiu-jitsu today, man, that's what would happen to you.
Bro, I trade GJ during London. It's fucking crazy. Like, I send a trade, boom, clapped. Send a sell, clapped. It's been going on for the past like 3 days or so. And I asked around, a lot of people are getting clapped like this. All these big traders on GJ. So I was wondering if you're getting clapped as well.
Yeah, I feel bad for the guy. It's not even funny, chat. It's not even funny. It's just the way he said it. It's like he just feels. I just feel his pain in his voice. Like, have you been getting clapped too, bruh? Like,
Boom. Clapped. Yeah, that was Nav.
that was Nav. What? Is everyone? All these big traders. What does that even mean, big traders? Big traders, man. We're all just traders. Was Down Savage earlier? I think I saw Down Savage in the chat earlier, right? If I'm not wrong, I was kind of distracted. I was in the trade. Someone said he was in the chat though. Came by again. That's funny. Okay. Oh, I like the song. That like, I can't tell. Yeah, it should be liked. Chat, how's your day been today, though? 100% you're up by. I know everyone's up a good 2% today overall. From last night, Asian, London, New York, I'm pretty sure majority is up today. I think a lot of positions played out for a lot of people. 1.5? Yeah, good. 80%? Sheesh. 2.7? Hey, 2.7, that's sick. 2.5? 2.95? Yeah, see, everyone's up a good 2%, 1% today. Pretty good. 5%? Nice. Might be up more here at this gold sells here. All right. So you have the 4 kind of opening here, chat. Yeah, so I obviously want positions here. This would be great. The 4 candle here is what I'm gonna look at. So I'm just gonna mark it up on a forward time frame and just leave it there for the rest of the day. This 4 resistance is up here. The 4 support's down here. And I believe we should be able to run down if we were to come down towards support towards like 724-ish. So that'll be my TP probably. But all I need here before I take positions is the top wick, because the previous kind of stops are a bit wide. I don't want to have previous kind of stops. It's gonna be probably 7 pips. I want to see 1735 get tapped for me to have a sell stop. So once price taps those levels, I'll have a sell stop. On the flip of this candle here, coming down towards TP 28 or even TP 25, 24-ish. So that'll be the position that we're gonna have. All we need to wait for is a top wick, and it will be in. So this is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. Unless you flip now and drive. If it flips out and drive though, chat, I will say there's a very, very, very small chance it will get a position if it does drive here. Because if it drives, it's like in the fill of range. And if it fills a range, you might not get a closure on 30 and 1 hour later. 1738. Alright, let's see what it do. Why is my trading view still showing an hour left in the 4 account? It's because yeah, on a different broker, different trading view server, different trading view brokers have different servers, obviously, or different brokers. I'm on a Wanda right now, so if you want a match of your broker or my broker, these blue bear markets, and the rollover time is 6, right? So it's the same thing for Awanda. When Dance's buyer saw Tesla guy put on autopilot real quick. Yo, 0.42, nice, good stuff. 1%, nice. Now leaf are on sale on Amazon? Hey, yo, hold on, let me check on Canada, because I'm from Canada over here, and
Bro, I'm getting 6% back on my order right now because I have the Amazon credit card.
Oh, they are on sale, but guess what? I got them for the same price at Best Buy a week ago. But it is Prime Day. It is on sale. I can maybe get another set. Low key, it's maybe get some more lights too. some TikTok lights here, chat. What else is on sale today? I gotta shop. I need curtains. I need a bunch of stuff. Oh, God, lights, are those on sale?
I doubt it.
I doubt it.
Stuff.
Yeah. Now leaves on sale though. Brown. Nah. Yeah, Agaza's on sale. Oh wait, no, it is. Hold on.
Yo, live? Taking a trade? Amazon trade?
Chat, 2800 lumens or 1400 lumens.
More.
I mean, I don't think I even need that many, but
Max lumens.
lumens. Yeah, lumens. Lumens chat. What else is on sale? If it flips here, it flips. If it flips here and we don't get a sell stop, not my trade. If it drives, it drives. Say goodbye. But gonna wait for a top wick tapping minimum 34 before I place a sell stop or even think about placing a sell stop. Can you tell the difference on small wick down entry and flip? Eh? Can I take the trade? I mean, you can. Nothing's wrong with that. It just comes down to stop loss in this case. Like, I'll be fine taking a position on the flip here if I use pure count stops, which is at 1739. But I don't want to have a 70 pip stop, right? Even though it'll be a 1-to-1, I believe. 70 for 80, it's gonna be a fat stop. I want to use current count stops. That's why I'm really asking this forward count to drive up towards 34 and reject there, so we can have a stop loss there on a current high. How come you're waiting for such a steep wick? I sure you've been here for a long time, a very long time. You should know that. But I explained it already. I just want to have a decent stop loss. That's why. Because I'm forced to use the current candle stop. I'm forced to use the current 4-hour count stops. Look at that 1-hour candle. I didn't even peep the 1-hour candle. Wow, that's clean. 50 pip stops in the 1-hour time frame, which isn't bad. How big are stops on a 30? 30 isn't too bad. Yeah, 30 pips. So I'm gonna go ahead and place a sell stop here now. Sell stops at 1731.906. Okay, so that's a sell stop that I have there. I have here 1731.906. The TP is 1724 probably, 25ish. So it's gonna be a TP of around, look at this, Ike pulling his phone out. TP is around 62 pips, and stop loss is a current kind of high. Or stop loss appears 3-minute kind of high, sorry. It's gonna be at 1735.061. Okay. Now 6. 24. Stop loss is 1735. That's right. How big are stops? 30 pips, right? Yeah, 30 pips. We did tap most recent on 30, so if it flips here, it should ideally respect the highs of drive. Ooh, may flip. Yeah, chat, I believe I got activated there. I got activated there, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I got activated. So sales has been activated. Stop loss is gonna be probably the previous 30-minute candle for around 30 pips, sorry. And then TP is gonna be down at 1725-ish. So around here. This is the trade that we're in right now. I will probably on this trade here, stops to break even would be probably the wick fill. So if you were to come down and fill the wick, that's gonna be around the 10 pip mark. That's the break even point, that minor support to the left. But I won't close partials this time. This time we won't close partials for sure. We're just gonna let it run towards 1728. That's where I'm gonna close partials. 1728, and then let the rest run towards 1725. All right. That's a sell stop though. All right, that's what we're in. Activated. I'm back to Vegas. You can use current count stops too. I mean, it saves you probably an 8 pip difference. Up to you. I believe if you do break the lows here, if you fill the wick, you could move your stop loss to the current high instead, or you can move stops to break even. It's totally up to you. Chamantra 1732.11. Alright. 8 pips, 9 pips. Alright, there we go. Chat, gonna move my stops to break even here. Making this a risk free trade. And then not gonna close partials or anything, but it is a risk free trade. And gonna let the rest run towards TP. Yeah, Chamantra is 732.11 here in this case, so it's literally on the flip. Like the entry on my broker, it's like somewhere around here basically. If you guys want, you guys move that to the breaking point as well, the flip to match up with mine. But that was my entry, 732.11, and TP is 1728.873. All right, but yeah, breaking trade. You fill that wick. That wick fill is a minor support on a small time frame on the 5 here. 5 minute has no bottom wick as well, so if it drives, it drives. But if it doesn't, then we reject. And there's a high chance it may create a steeper top wick for the current forward candle. But obviously, you don't want that to happen, right? I'm just saying that because that's what could happen if you do flip bullish again. You didn't even break the lows yet. You came very close, but you did fill the wick. Yeah, 32.11 is literally the flip on Blueberry. On a dot. A little lower maybe, but let's see. Chat, don't spam dubs yet. Don't spam dubs yet. It's nothing happened yet, but it is W risk manager, I guess you can say. You survived that, right, Marcos? For sure.
I got out of the first position at 20 pips and then re-entered this position.
Oh, they used to have runners. And still in. 32.11 still in.
Yeah, spreads did jump there.
And I think we're out. Still in. And yeah, we're out. Chat, break even hit. You didn't even break the lows yet too, right? So you didn't break the lows. You flip back bullish. There's a slight chance here that this candle may create a steeper wick. It may. Don't get mad at me if it doesn't, because if it doesn't, I mean, we're out. We can't go back and say, I should have held. No, I'm out. I'm out here due to that exact reason. We didn't break the lows. You may flip, so a bit cautious about that. However, next positions could be at 9:30, so don't go anywhere just yet. That'll be my last attempt today for positions. If you do close below like this support here to the left, I'll say respecting this resistance, you can have a sell stop at 9:30 on a breakout of lows below 1730 881. You can have a sell stop there using current kind of highs and TP down at 724. But it comes down to how this candle closes here at around what time is this? 9:30. So
this is kind of that situation a couple weeks ago that we were talking about, where when the advantage is the wick fill, it's good to move stops to break even before it breaks the lows. Yeah, because you're not guaranteed.
Yeah. You don't know. It can literally just reject like a pip away.
Yeah.
And it came close too. I really thought I was gonna break there, but
that's exactly what happened too. It rejected it pip away.
And like, you guys know that saying, right? Or not that saying, but you guys know we always kind of preach, because we use the current count of stops. But in this case, like, this wasn't the official high yet. You can literally create a new high, but once it breaks the lows, that's when you can say this is the official high for the current 4-hour candle. But until you actually broke that low, this high could have just been it could just create a new high, and this situation may do that. I'm sure some of you guys left positions. It's totally up to you guys, right? This is just my position, just how I manage risk, but there's nothing wrong with doing it a bit different off of what you kind of experience. It's up to you. No, should have secured. No, I stopped break even. That was a plan. Whatever my plan is, the moment I get in is exactly what I'm going with. There's no shoulda, woulda, coulda. Because what if it ran? I should have let it run forward towards TP. No, man. You don't want to be running in circles like that. You'll never get out of that FX bubble. Did you pumping? Yeah, it is pumping.
Amping.
Because look, if you're saying should have closed at 9 pips, you're also going to say if it were to drive down here, yeah, you should not move stocks to break even. You should let it run. Right? Right. So you don't want to be doing that. Again, if it was your plan to close 4 9 pips, then close 4 9 pips. Nothing's wrong with that. That was just your trade, right? What time was that trade at? 9 10? 9 10. Yeah, 9 10. Dates. Seven 12 2022. Gold sells. If it breaks the lows, chat, it may be gone. What time frame is that? What pair was that? That was the 4-hour onion. Yeah. Fourth break-even trade of the month. Yeah, officially broke lows here, so could be gone. But I'm not gonna be here to say shoulda held, right? To make it easy for you guys, man, this draw is kind of like this, and just kind of, block it out. It already came down. You 30 boys ready? Yes, sir.
That 4-hour, we probably could have used previous 30. I guess it doesn't matter because we moved subs to break even.
Oh, like move stops down to current high?
Something like that.
I was kind of worried about the, not breaking our lows.
Yeah, me too.
Look. Now everyone in chat's gonna say maybe you move stops to break even very fast. All right, I'll hit you up later in the week when we get into a trade and we move stops to break even and prices break even hit stops. What are you gonna say? Maybe we should have moved stops. Maybe we should have closed. Like, chat, whatever. Like I tell you guys. Just nails into your heads. Whatever your plan is before you take the trade is your plan. It doesn't matter what happens after. Win, lose, break even. You stuck to your plan. You won. It doesn't matter if, like in this case, I was not to break even. But what did I say? It may drive, and if it drives, okay, fuck it. It drives. But like that was my plan, and I won today by following my plan. It's easier to say today, obviously, because price drove here. And you can say, oh, we should have held, should have, would have, could have, right? But man, long term, by doing that, you're always gonna be running in circles, man. I can give you guys a perfect example here. Let's go to like, I don't know, this trade. This is 811. 811 here. You know what? Even better. I have a video. What are you gonna say in this situation? This is yesterday. To break even here. There's no reason it should flip bullish here if it wants to drive. Break even. Same thing I said yesterday. This count here, as you can see, is kind of to create a steeper wick now. So it's not about like how many pips we're on profit by. It's about overall price action and what levels price should tap in versus like where entry actually is. And then that, look at that. Price came up. What if our stop? What would you have said? Yeah, Don, you made the right call by moving stocks to break even. Huh? Which one is it? Yeah. DC said like if you guys want to hold, nothing stopping you guys, right? Like this is like my specific trade, and that was just how I did it. But it's up to you guys. Like you guys could let it run. You guys, if it's your plan to let it run, let it run. I said that before I traded break even as well, right? Because I knew people were gonna come back if it were to hit stops and be like, showed on this. Like I tried to tell you guys before, right? In that situation. Beef all my loans now.
Get a closure belosure.
I wanted to close bullish, not gonna lie, but even if it does, like you only get the start play here. Yeah,
This
this
15. Ready? Flip bullish. All the Wall Street market makers. Grab water bottles. 1735. And you get a closure below. At 930. Hear me out.
I'm hearing you out.
I think we need more water bottles, man.
Yeah, break the highs. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys though, you know, like it's cool to like copy the trades on the streams, but at the end of the day, you always want to have your own judgment over my judgment. I'm just like 23-year-old, just a different kid, you know. I'm just a normal kid, but it's up to you guys. Like you guys can definitely do whatever you guys want to do within a trade. No one's gonna hold a gun to your head telling you, yo, stop the break even here or else, you know. Think about it. 5 years ago, there was no live streams. Or, sorry, not 5. Maybe 6. I take that back. Shout out to Raja. But like 6 years ago, 8 years, 7 years ago, like there was no live streams. There was no live streams. There was no one guiding you. Or if anything, there were live streams, but maybe people weren't like giving you live positions. And now you have live positions, and now you guys want more. What more do you guys want? Now there's records on screens. Yearly records with spreadsheets, you know?
With a link to every single trade.
That's pretty crazy though how man, we've evolved so much in the industry. You want your account? You guys got it, man. You guys have the game plan. You have the account, just not right now. Don't worry, you guys will have the account. If anything more, I want you guys to have more, obviously. Copy directly to Blueberry. I actually can't do that if I'm gonna run into some problems and issues down the line if I were to do that. Because I'm basically just, it's not even at that point. Because right now while I'm doing this, not financial advice, it's just kind of, like, how do you call it what I'm doing right now? It's more so of just education, right? But if I were to do that, then that's like more financial advice. Like I can't do that. I'll get in trouble for that. A lot of people ask me if I can manage accounts or link accounts. Like it's just later down the line might cause some problems.
Yeah, Pam is a different entity.
Oh yeah, Pam. How long have you been trading? 3 years. 4 years almost.
We got enough water bottles.
How did 15 close? Oh, 5 minutes left. Oof, 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 oof. How many pips is this range here, chat? Come on, those 30 pips. You know, if you think about it, like I know, like I can't. It's not really a good comparison, but
Apex.
uh,
Have you been doing the Wordle?
yeah, one yesterday. Kind of struggled. Kind of struggled for a long time actually, but third try though. But long time on a third try.
Ooh, target tapped.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Almost though. 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. Can't justify taking a trade yet. We're about to tap 4 hour support.
Nah, it's not like I'm trying to convince those. It's more so just I'm trying to get them to kind of understand like why I do certain things, because I think a lot of people just think of what I do as just like he just does whatever. Like there's no reasoning to it. It's just whatever. And it's not. There's a lot of reasoning behind everything we do. Because once you understand that concept of reasoning and everything you do in FX, trading alone in general becomes a lot easier, and you can apply those same questions towards your own trading style even, right? I know long term will benefit them. I'm too Canadian, chat. Come on. Yeah. Daily breakout lows. Sean. Current candle highs. The Discord? Discord's fire, man. Look at the setup. Sheesh, look at that leg tap, chat.
Hey, yo.
Yo, Marcus says on purpose. Marcus definitely lined up his leg to make it fit the photo.
Nah, you can't even see
You ever
it.
stand up, desk? I didn't know. You never stand up.
I know.
I never stand up
Too
too.
lazy.
Looks like my desk though. Flexi spot. Yeah, same shit I have. Oh, who's online right now? Oh, Rezo's always active. Okay, okay.
What TV show is that, chat? 5 ETH to whoever can guess.
Chat, what TV shows? This looks like Stranger Things.
I changed my mind. 0 ETH.
I didn't even watch it. I just know what it is though. I just had a feeling. But the way the colors look here in this situation, a lot of strange colors, you know.
You're like that guy that can guess where he is, like based on the dirt. Guessing where I am based on the dirt.
But I said, never mind. No Stranger Things. Hey yo, leaks. Where are these clips here? Okay.
Oh shit.
Gold dummy. Okay.
Leaked. I already posted those, I think. Yeah, I did. Those are old.
What does the EA app give you?
All those dummies. Yeah, you are leaking.
Is that Apex?
No, that was FIFA. That was trash.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. I like these hologram. Hey yo, hit me up, man. I need to upgrade my thing to look like yours. Not gonna lie.
Playbook. Oh, we're closing above. Rip.
Good. Apex. Playbook, lovely. I love it. Love to see it, man. Oh, is it? Oh, it's the same one, same person. I was gonna say, whoa.
Yo.
Jane's FX. Hey, is that Forex? That is not Forex. Nah, that's nice though. I like the setup. JBL headsets, cool. PC. Look at a Corsair. What's it called? Box. Ooh, Dell monitor, nice. Can't tell what this is. Looks like curved. Their monitor too. Is that your? Damn, you're doing good in June, man. 73%, pretty good. Yeah, I like this. I think that says like 15 and 5, something like that, right? 14 5, 11 5, or 11 and 3. Pretty good, man. You're turning US 30, nice. Which reminds me, I gotta check US 30 real quick. Oh, nice. Range 1 fake out. What's US 30 gonna do? How do you get the Excel? It's free. Link right there. I gotta give you access to the what's it called? Badger, I give you open, not open. I was gonna say open sea. What's it called? Nightbot. Open sea. My brother, is your setup? What are you trying to do? Feel the candles on you or something, man? Pretty good stuff though. I like it. I like how like the creativity here is 10 out of 10 for sure. Show. All right, 5 seconds for a closure. Let's lock it in. Lock it into no positions. No bottom wick on his 30 here. Closing right at the support. I mean, the entry was here. Kind of tough to get in here, unless you close below an alley candle. But then the alley candle, you won't have that 4-hour advantage. But chat, this 4-hour candle should tap 24 levels by the end of the session today, minimum. Something like this. This is a candle. As for positions, looks like we're out of luck right now, at least. You have a 30-minute support down here. You do have a mini range though. We'll say that you have a mini range here of maybe 12 pips that should get filled, but it's not enough range for me to take a trade or justify to take a trade. GJ obviously is in the range though. Nothing you can do in this situation. So the link says it's deleted. Okay, let me try again. So what are you gonna do, Marcus? Are you hopping off or?
I'm done trading for the day.
I want to steal a 10 because I just want to vibe out, but I guess you can take 30 minutes doing a Wordle, chat. Let me just update you guys a spreadsheet real quick. Okay, we're gonna do a Wordle and then we're gonna come back to the charts for a bit, but I don't know if we'll take a trade. Let's see. Okay, journal. Okay, that link should work now. I'm not wrong. All right, chat, don't go anywhere. We're gonna do a Wordle, and then we're gonna come back on the charts. Need a little bit of refresher here. We may even do a re-breakdown or something, but let's do a Wordle here. Maybe we can just hang around. But I will be streaming Apex if you guys want to come by. Let me cover chat up because. All right. Trade. This is so easy, man.
I got it. You got it. I already know it.
Hold on, wait. Let me get my guess first. Let me get my guess, and you can tell me your guesses. But Stitch. What do you got?
Oh, that's not even
Oh no,
a word.
stick. Sorry, stick.
Mine was gonna be stink.
I forgot. Stitch is STITCH. Stink?
We were on the same vibe.
Stink?
Right.
Stink
Yeah.
or stick? You know how sticky it
Stink.
gets.
Gotta go stink.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, the end is there. Keeping clutch. The end. I would have
W.
been C.
Damn, all in the wrong spot though. Night. Bang. Bang. Has to be.
All right, well, back on charts we go.
I'm back.
91 played. Sheesh. Current streak 2. Max streak 8. Nice. Chat, why do you do this every day? Wordle is too easy nowadays for us, you know?
That Miami refresher.
Just a hard one today? I guess we got a good guess on the first, like the second try. We got a very good guess, so.
Ooh, hard one. Every time they say a hard one, we get it like that.
Man, I don't recall. We tend to struggle. Try Quirtle. That's how many letters?
Sounds like
7.
QU. Can't be 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's a
Word
lot.
wasn't last spreadsheet. Badger, right? I'm playing.
It's auto.
I know. Let's see. Let's see if we close half in the second try. Or...
was a quick 30 minutes.
US 30 gone? Oh wow. And then what'd you do? Take buys in US 30 or what? Of course you did. Chat, MM got in buys and then he took a sell right here and he just closed full here as well just now. And then he just took another sell. Okay. He catches every move, man.
No trade day.
We got like 4 trades today, man.
What the hell?
Yeah, took a lot of trades today, chat. A pretty eventful day.
I'm so mad all the time.
Honestly, when you talk to him on the phone or on Apex or on Discord or whatever, he's pretty chill, but through text, he does sound very violent. This guy sounds like he's just gonna...
He just wants a pat on the back, man. He just wants to be loved.
Keyboard warrior. Yeah, he's like that, just that dog you have, you know? That French bulldog that just always asks for love.
I don't think MM has that dog in him. Thoughts?
He's a menace.
Yo, MM is an average I show speed viewer. $113
What?
I'd cry. I would cry.
How much is that Celsius?
That's got to be like 35, 40.
UAV incoming. Holy shoot. Iran to supply Russians of UAV for Ukraine. Oh damn, Oilers are releasing Evander Kane? Hey Delise, what are you doing? Pick him up. Dinosaur bird in UK may hold the key to saving their species. What? A dinosaur bird. Matt Murray has his Maple Leafs. Nice. Is Ifty here, chat? Your Discord vacation is broken? How come everyone says that? Is it really broken? I mean, it should be good. Yeah, it should be good. You know what it is? You might gotta refresh your page, try a different browser, or try a different mobile device, or a different device in general, or a PC. It should be good. Well, see you guys. Quite a fun day, I have to say. Keep it up. Thanks, Leo. Thanks for coming by. Appreciate you. Project 1 hour support. Yeah. Looks like it's gonna be a no trade day for no trade for the rest of the day for me. I was gonna say no trade day. What? Oh. We're gonna call it, guys. Maybe we can do what's something we can do here for at least a 5 minutes. I just want to do something fun, chat. I don't know. I want to hop off stream for some reason.
All right. I'm gonna go eat breakfast.
All right, go ahead.
Drag this along.
I'll drag
everybody.
Yeah, go. I show up on Apex later if you're
chess. Someone said chess.
Hit up on Apex.
Chess. Yeah, I'm gonna
look at these.
I'm gonna solo drop Apex till you're ready.
I'll be down in like 5 minutes anyways. There's enough. I don't
Man,
want to leave chat.
call.
It feels cold right now for some reason. I need to. Corp call? Wix9. Where are you at, Wix9? Oh, here he is. He's online, chat. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna join our streams or not?
He's hacking.
This looks cozy, man. I like this. I like this IKEA desk. Very nice. MSI. I'm getting this mouse pad today too. Cool.
It's me.
Yeah.
Kind of trippy seeing yourself on someone else's screen.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
What else do you got here? Hey, you have crystals in your room?
That's fire.
Do you have crystals in your room? Who sent this? Leo?
Is that the entropy?
This is fire. How much are these guitars? This is like expensive.
They're fake.
Nice C29 webcam, Logitech. I think I know what the microphone
The
is.
monitor looks fake. Looks like it's painted.
A thin monitor. MacBook or
Fire setup.
iPad? That's a nice chair. Nice
I just
in
know your
white.
wife designed that for you.
What if she is the wife?
Oh, true.
I think she got crystals, or
I
he.
want that plant.
I think they got crystals. Yeah, that plant adds some life in the room. I like that. So,
W setup with the cabinets.
hey, yo, what pizza is this? Moretti? You're definitely from New York, right? Hold on, where's this from? Which pizza? You know what this is? Yeah, I can guess.
Pizza box
I can guess where
stand.
they're from by looking around the room.
Yeah.
This.
The AirPods are charging on top of the pizza box.
Hey, Italian beer. Oh, it's Italian beer. Oh shit. Am I ready? I don't know.
Inflation report tomorrow. Sorry, that's random. But
Ooh,
yeah.
I like these colors. What Ryzen? I can't see. Doesn't show. Okay. XM. Oh damn, you definitely trade news, don't you? You definitely trade news.
Balance 11.
Not bad. On the come up. Oh,
Small accounts matter.
nice. That looks nice. Nice router. PS5, Apex Legends. Okay, GTA 5.
W.
Ryzen, that's a gaming laptop, pretty cool. Nice mount. That is Starbucks top. I can't tell. PS4 gang. Hey yo, what's this doing here?
I'm out.
Hey yo, we got cactus on the table like that. Yeah, I gotta catch up on these, yo. Yeah, this guy. Hey man, I guess this works with this, man. Hey, can't say anything, chat. Oh. Look at the gains, yo. How much percent is that? 5K, 25K, 100%. Sheesh. Yeah, this is clean. I like this. I like this. This is pretty clean. I like this. That's a Scarlet. Is that the Scarlet amplifier? G29. No, it's not G29 Pro. Or that That's G Pro wireless. Xbox. This is a clean. Is this a glass desk? Damn, glass desk with no mouse pad. Damn. Sheesh. Learning investor. This is pretty cool. That's a Scarlet. That's a Scarlet. Nice. Okay, some money. Some stones. Nice stones. I like it. Clean setup. Deodorant. Fresh. You know what I use the other one. What's it called? I use Clean Comfort. Not sponsored, but I use Clean Comfort. Cool. Is that what is this, Mac? I don't know what that is, but oh yeah, it's Mac. Cool, nice. Clean setup, man. 2 mouse? Damn, 2 PCs. Nice light. Jeez, bro, what are you trying to do? This guy is trying to figure out the line speed of NASA, man. Damn, man. Honestly, when I think about Ted, this is what I think about. When I think about Ted, this is what I imagine. This is Uncle Ted right here. Just everything. He has it all, man. Bot Broly, the editor, W editor, man. Shout out to Broly. Yeah, pretty fire. Yeah, clean, simple setup. That's a lot to you bought, right? Fire. Anything else, chat? What time is it? Yeah, we can do it for another 5 minutes. So, is this in your Discord? Yeah, it's in our Discord. We're just kind of vibing out right now. We're just kind of done trading. We're just kind of looking at desk setups. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stylus to hey. Yeah, no positions till 10 a.m. here, but probably won't get positions. I like this one. Do you stream? No webcam, no stream, huh? New York, London, Tokyo. Damn, this looks like somewhere in Asia. Where is this? Looks like, yeah, somewhere in Asia for sure. Could be wrong. What times are free right now? It is 2:45, 2:43, 2:43. You're in London. That's UK. All right. That's the UK. Oh wait, no. That's New York session. I don't know. I can't tell. I don't know where you're from. Literally on Google. When I was breaking the lows for guys, chat, I'm not taking positions for the rest of the day, guys. I took nice runners today on London Asian. There's no need for me to take a fourth position here today, or fifth. Sorry, I took 2 positions on stream. I'm not taking anything else today. That's it. If it looks good, then it is what it is. But I have no reason to take another trade today at all. Absolutely zero reason. Damn, you're a DJ? This is fire. I like this. Yeah, this is definitely a producer. You're definitely a producer. Clean. Producer speakers. Yeah, Brandon. Yeah, I think you are a producer. This is clean, bro. Clean monitor or clean PC. All purple. That's your favorite color. Phone stand, mic, AirPods. Gotta add that. I know you add that for the picture, man. I know damn well you add this AirPod here just for the picture. This guy. Sony. What is this? Ooh. Okay. Got the magic keys. Cool. Got the stream deck. All right, you definitely stream. What pair is this? This is. Ooh, FTMO. Okay. Funded trader. Gold. Okay. This is NAS 100. Okay, so what are you gonna do here? Any positions? Bagging pips? Damn, son. I'm not gonna lie. You guys got way better setups than me. Like, you guys have way better setups. This is an iPad on top of a PC. I mean, I have an iPad Pro, you know, 12.9 inch. Got the phone, but yours just looks nicer. More, you know, that's too a little thin though, but nice curtains at the back. Yeah, that's what I want. Security camera. Whoa. Security camera in your room? Damn. Ooh, okay. No, that's not MSI. Nice. Magic keys, lovely. Mouse pad, nice. All you need. Sure, how many more are we gonna go through here today? What's gold doing? Dropping? Nice. This Hot Wheels, what cars you got? Is that a McLaren? Is that a Maserati? No, that's a Nissan. I can't tell. Is that a Supra? Can't tell. I'm not a car guy, chat. Joker, cool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Pretty chill. Another car here. You're into cars for sure. You're definitely a car guy. Xbox. Whoa. What's this called again? This is called hoverboard. Yeah, hoverboard. Going to an iPad? Yo, honestly, I'm not used to it. I tried the iPad. I'm not used to the controls on the iPad. I don't want to adapt. It would be a lot easier, I guess, but this is different from the phone a bit. Is that a dog? Hey, yo, is that your 10K French Bulldog? FTMO, let's get it. Sheesh. Jimmy. MT, what's this? Magic keys, lovely. Water. No, that's not water. That looks like kombucha. Nice mouse. Eye power? No, it's not eye power. Yeah, this is cool. I like this. All right, let's look at gold for a bit before we dip off here, do my final analysis. Yeah, gold might close below here in 9 minutes here, and if it does, you can say your next support here is probably gonna be, if you close below here, your next support is gonna be probably below here at 1721. Looks like those levels will get tapped here, so you may be good, but it's a 4-bit range going down below that range. It's not bad. Definitely doable. Definitely takeable, but I'm gonna call that a day, I think. Dog is placing orders. Yeah, Jimmy, what's the dog's name, Jimmy? If I had a dog, I'll name it Bias. Best specs for a monitor comes down to what you do, man. If you're just Googling, you don't need anything. You just need a 60 frames monitor, the minimum. 30 frames even. Like, honestly, you don't need a monitor. Just have a PC, no monitor at that point. Yeah, if you're gaming though, like, you don't need a better monitor, but if you wanna, you know, reach your full potential, then yeah, you can get a monitor. What I have is the BenQ Zowie XL2546K. This is what I got. I have this monitor. It's a beast when it comes to gaming. As for like editing and stuff, it's garbage because the color scheme is way off, right? But you know, for gaming, it's pretty good. All right, guys. I am gonna call it a day here. All right. Hopefully, you guys had a good day. If you guys enjoyed today's streams, make sure you guys leave a like, sub to the channel. I appreciate all of you guys being here today. It's a pretty long day today, but ended off with 11 pips. Not bad. But yeah, man. I'm gonna play some Apex chat. Have a good day. Love you guys, and take care of yourself today. All right. I'll catch you guys in the morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. And I'll catch the single channel people in the Eastern session today. All right. So peace out. Love you guys. Have a great day. Peace out, yo. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. All right. Yo, Green. I need your actually, I gotta drop the beat now. It's Lil Uzi Vert.
And I can't do my dance cause my pants they from France. I can't slow it. I'm working on no, I can't slow it. Fast pace all the time. Too much guap, bands, bellow foreign, tan. She ignored that man, fucking with me, handstand. I can't lie, she got that good, but that girl, bad. I stay with her, back, make that girl dance. Let's go, yeah. With What is mine, that is yours. You can't hold my lamb. Yes, I own my land. Stacking this paper, you know that I get it up. I can't be broke again. Tucking that shit in that Glocky gon' hit it up. Headshot, soak his man. My chopper get hot, just like a pan. Got the headlights, just like a ram. I got 10 toes and I counted 10 fingers, so I do not need up. I'm helping hand. Monopoly crib, I'm moving again. Got your bitch on me, she grooving again. Won't got them again, I just give them a reason to hate. So my niggas shooting again. My coupe, my roof, drop that shit again. She saw my dick, then she mocked up my friend. No, we do not wanna feel too again. When she let me go, I'm on the loose again. She on the molly, she tryna boot again. She ain't in mine, this girl is a lend. I prayed every time when I thought you sent. I write in my mind, I don't use a pen. She giving me time, I watch cause a lamb. Just give me more time, other watch cause a Benz. Look at the Uzi, he popping again. Them niggas, they switching, they hopping again. Look at them niggas, they opping again. She giving that top and she slopping again. Look at this album, it's flopping again. Not taking a break, I'm not stopping again. Too much guap, bands, bellow, foreign, tan. She ignored that man, fucking with me, handstand. I can't lie, she got that good, but that girl, bad. I stay with her, back, make that girl dance. Let's go, yeah. What is mine, that is yours. You can't hold my lamb. Yes, I own my land. Stacking this paper, you know that I get it up. I can't be broke again. Talking that shit, then that Glocky gon' hit it up. Headshot, soak his man. Spent 100,000 on a brand new point on choker. Automatic girls got a motor. I can feel that shit in my shoulder. Brand new watch cost quarter, and you know it's flooded in water. You know every day I'm getting older, but I'm young enough for your daughter. And you know my neck is flooded in boulders. Getting money, yeah, that's my quota. Even though Lil Uzi getting older, know I'm young enough for your daughter. Every time I'm in my mind, I focus. She give me hypnosis. Talking about the love can't hold it. Talking about the guap can't fold it. Talking about your mind, yo, you don't own it. Yeah, just take your time and gotta be cool. Yeah, it's on my mind and they just know it. Yeah, fast pace all the time. Yeah, I can't so much guap. Bands, bellow, foreign, tan. She ignored that man, fucking with me, handstand. I can't lie, she got that good, but that girl, bad. I stay with her, back, make that girl dance. Let's go, yeah. What is mine, that is yours. You can't hold my lamb. Yes, I own my land. Stacking this paper, you know that I get it up. I can't be broke again. Talking that shit, then that Glocky gon' hit it up. Headshot, soak his man.